find chickens, and then just bring them to my lair.
I have to go now. My planet.
Off I go. Welcome everybody, welcome back in. Welcome. Man, oh, my camera's frozen. There we go. Welcome in, thank you for the licorice. Welcome everyone, let's buy some balls. Licorice, there you go. I don't know what the fuck this is, but anyway, there we go. Whatever's going on there? Yeah. Oh, sorry, I just covered the meme up. Sorry, fan, give it a second. I'll do that in a minute for you. Anyway, welcome everybody. Welcome, it's Monday. It's fucking hype, let's fucking go. Welcome in everybody. Let's get some spam in chat. This is very salty. It's very salty. Very salty, there we go. Squish the sausage, there we go. Anyway, welcome everyone. Spam those fucking emotes, I swear to God. That's working.
My name is Warwick.
Thank you, Hunter. Appreciate it. Don't talk about me. Spam emotes. There we go. I want to see balls over my face.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
It's actually a little bit quieter than usual. There we go. And now I'll go through one song and another one. But welcome everybody, welcome back in. Welcome in. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. What's all this then? What's all this then? What is all this? What is all this? Welcome in and welcome in. It's Monday. Hello, Zach. Welcome in. It's good to have you here. You got back from heavy grocery store, gonna lurk. Enjoy your lurk for no one's friend. Anyway, welcome everybody. It's Monday. It's Monday. It's chaos. We're going to have fun today. I feel good today. I'm wearing my Hatsune Miku t-shirt. We've got rainbows going on, which will now go away now. Boop. There we go. There we go. We are here. We're doing fine. We're here. Hello. Anyway, yes, Monday. If you know what's going on, Monday, we talk for a bit, play some marbles for a bit, give away a gift card later on. I will do what I want to do. If you got a problem with that, tough shit. You still listening? If I want to give a gift card away and do 20 races, I'll do 20 races. If I do one, then I'll do one. I will do what I want to do. And if you don't like it, go somewhere else. All right? Sorry, just people got some fucking nerve. Anyway, hi!
An anonymous user
Jump
gifted
scares
a
are still
tier
on.
1 sub to Taco Shark.
Jump scares are still on. Taco Shark, enjoy your gift to someone when you come back. Anyway, we're here. We are vibing. Everybody find it. Welcome in. But yeah, let me know how you lot are doing today. If you've been doing, if you're not doing, it's got suddenly warm very sudden. Very quickly. There we go. God, these sweets are fucking horrible. They're not horrible. They just take the long fucking time to swallow. There we go. Anyway, before I forget, we have a Anna yogurt. Welcome in. Your holder of yogurt. Does it get messy for you? Anyway, Audrey, Pingu, Neon. I do not know. Void, Nicky Rabbit. Which gift card? I'm doing a gift card. It will be the oh my god. Everyone's a seed fucking gift card, don't they? There we go. That's it. There we go. But again, we are not playing marbles for at least maybe an hour or two. So if you want it sooner, tough luck. But that's what's going on. Anyway, before we forget, Audrey, Pingu, Neon, I do not know, Void, Nicky Rabbit, Z, Bite, Chan, Hun, Panda, and Astro were before stream. Thank you very much. I did make a list. I checked it twice. Bye. I hope it's not actual shit, because that would be a bit more concerning. But, you know, I let Royal Mail deal with that. Anyway, everyone, thank you for being here earlier. Really appreciate it. If I missed a name, I don't think I missed a name. I think I saw all your names, but there you go. I will catch up in chat very shortly. But anyone who is here just for the giveaway, it's happening in like an hour or two. It will happen whenever it happens. It will happen within the next 4 hours. And it's going to be a gaming gift card. And if you win the Grand Prix, not just one race, it'll probably be like at least 5 up to 10, maybe even 20. If you win the whole thing, you get a gift card. Or maybe I decide not to. I don't know. Who knows? Anyway, welcome in. If you want to hang in for a little bit, please do. Ah!
Pingu_pity gifted a tier 1 sub to Hunlotsk. They have given 5 gift subs in the channel.
Pingu, thank you very much for the 5 gifted overall. Thank you for the gifted to Hun. Hun, enjoy gifted. Also, because to our hype train. So I really appreciate it. You're naughty or nice list. I have no idea. I have no idea. Anyway, that's fine. I might have to put a fucking disclaimer. Actually, I think because I've put giveaway in my title, everyone's here for the fucking giveaway. Right, what should I say? The giveaway. Sorry, Tuesday. The giveaway will be happening in 2 hours. You have to win a whole Grand Prix on marbles on stream. I will not do it any earlier. Don't like it. Anyway, I'm glad I changed my followers because we've had a lot of followers, so it's fine. Anyway, they can't do anything about sound, so it's fine. Right, there we go. There we go. There you go. The giveaway will be happening in 2 hours. You have to win the whole Grand Prix on the marbles. I will not do it any earlier. There we go. Cool. Hopefully that explains things. Anyway, to the people who actually matter, hi, welcome in. Get used to this one. I mean, I'm just saying, if you're just here just for a giveaway and then you don't like the rules that I set out, it's like, what the fuck? What's your problem? Like, yeah, you have no right to have a problem, right? You can't just come to a stream, brand new, and go, when's the giveaway? Oh, it'll be later on. Oh, how many races? Oh, it'll probably be like 10. Oh, no, I don't like that. Ooh!
An anonymous user gifted a tier 1 sub.
Anonymous, thank you for the gifted sub! Appreciate it, thank you very much. Yeah, but it's just like, if you don't like that, then tough shit. You know, like, I don't know what to tell you. If you don't like that, go somewhere else. You know, if you want giving free money, just say you want free money. I'm not going to give you money. I need money. If you want a tip to me, by the way, thank you very much. Anyway, hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. Hope you're doing well. Welcome in. Let's go. Oh, hang on.
Did someone say hype train?
No, I did. Hello, Craftford. Good to have you. Welcome in. So, there we go. Anyway. It's all going off. Let's go, Zamboni. Thank you, Void, by the way, for 100 bits. And Zamboni, thank you for 23 months. Let's fucking go. Anyway, we're at level 2. Let's go. Anyway, I will hydrate. Thank you. Coffee. I got coffee. I got coffee and then actual hydration. Anyway, I'll catch up with chat in a second. I'm just saying, just the audacity of it all, right? Like, I'm very sassy today, so buckle up. And very hydrate. It's just like I can't understand why someone would just come to a channel. I asked them, when's the giveaway? The first message they say. And I'm calling you out. If you're still here, I'm calling you out. And anyone else who's here just for the giveaway. Obviously, my chat are here for a giveaway, but, you know, that's fine. But then I go, oh, it'd be this. And you don't like that? I don't know what to tell you. I really fucking don't. Like, if you really don't like giveaway rules, then there's not a lot I can do about that because it's my fucking rules. You don't like it? Then see you later. Like, I can't grasp the idea of doing that in someone else's stream. Like, as a giveaway, just be this. Oh, no, I don't agree with that. All right. Then don't enter. Like, simple as, you know? It just boggles the mind. It really does. Anyway, welcome everyone. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for the free views, by the way. Appreciate it. But yeah, today is Marble Mondays. We will play marbles later on. At first, we were talking for a little bit. We're joined. Hello, Jessica. Welcome in. We are chatting. We're vibing. We're doing all the good stuff. Some of my sounders. Mix It Up is apparently delayed. Mix It Up. Are you good? Mix It Up. Mix It Up is having a moment. Mix It Up. No, it shouldn't be down. It's open. It shouldn't be down. And it's I don't use 2 minutes anymore. Hang on. Let me do a test. Let me do a test. That's working. Why did it not work? Why did it not work? Interesting.
Yeah, when is the giveaway?
Hey, Norway! Adam, I'll fight you. Adam,
favorite
hi.
neighborhood Adam from Norway.
Adam, fuck you. I've seen some friends today I haven't seen for a while. Yeah. Okay, it was just delayed. Apparently there was a lot going on, Just Guy. There we go. It was just delayed. It was working, but there we go. Adam, thank you for the 17 months, by the way. How you doing, my friend? Also, Zab, thank you 23. Thank you for the hype train, guys. Appreciate it. Anyway, yeah, so today is Marble Monday, or Mayhem Monday, or Chaos Monday, whatever you want to fucking call it. We're going to chat for a little bit, hang out, see how everyone is doing. It's just delayed, guy. Yeah, like that. And later on, with some marbles, some chaos, and just have a good fucking time. Who is here for a good time? If you don't say yes, then I swear to God. Who's here for a good time? I mean, Drag's here for chaos. But yeah, like I said, I'll catch up with chat. I will be delayed as per usual. But if you want to say how you're doing, how your day's been or how your weekend's been or what you're up to tomorrow, because I know a lot of you are holiday, and I know also it was Canada Day on whatever day it was before today it was. That I know times. And tomorrow is July 4th for people. You know, are you doing anything? Are you not doing anything? You just day off from work? Are you working? I'm working, but it's just a Tuesday for us. But you know, we don't like Britain. We don't really celebrate July 4th because of obvious reasons. And also, to be fair, July 4th is founded on not so good stuff in history. But anyway, if you're enjoying the holidays, let me know. If you're doing something nice, a fun affair, or looking at a cool rock, I still say you're looking at a rock. Also, before I forget, I'm TwitchCon. I'm going Thursday. I'm going to Thursday TwitchCon. I am definitely going. Everything seems fine. I've got like a buddy system. I've got meetups going on, blah, blah, blah. It's all good. I've got some information about where things will be shown, blah, 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 but I'll confirm that later. But if anyone does want to support, just like some tips just to go towards spending money or whatnot, I've got money. Obviously, I'm not going there skint because that'd be fun. But if you do, like, you can sub and bits and stuff, but like tipping goes straight to me, where tipping with bits and subs don't hit me till next month. So you want to support in any way, you can do with tips, and that's it. If you want to do that, you can do that. You don't have to, that's fine. That's it. Is that it? Work was fine. Wimbledon started. The tennis has started. Love 40. That's me losing. And of course it rained, because it always does. Also, guys, thank you for the height training. Really appreciate it. Yeah, I think that's it. It rained at the tennis because, of course, it was Britain. Because it's England. And it's summer, of course. Some of you are very close to a year. Some of you are very close to a year. Neon, Void, and Pinger, you are all very close to a year. I think actually 2 of you might celebrate 1 year on Wednesday. Wednesday's my last stream of the week. If you want to see my face again after today, it's on Wednesday. The poor bot. The bot's like, I'm trying. And my chair's going. My chair just went a little bit. It's fine. I'm going to sink a little bit. Anyway, I will catch up with chat. You lot try to figure out how you do followers. Stop trying to spam the email. Yeah, there I go. There I go. Anyway, like I said, I'm going to be delayed. First of all, but I'm not complaining about the rain. I'm just saying, typically, when we have tennis or cricket, when it is a sport that is very, very dependent on the weather, we always just seem to rain. Yeah, guys, I don't know if you lot know. I just seen your message. If you have a look at events in Discord, you can see when I'm back, when the next stream is back. Like, I don't know if a lot of you see the events or not. I try to make people aware of it, but I don't know if people see it. But in any Discord, there's events. There's 14 events right now. I'm also sunk as well. So if you go to the Discord, you go very top, where it kind of says Marble Mondays. If you go to events, you will see events for the next 2 or 3 weeks. So you actually, because I put a schedule up every week, but events are already updated so you know when I'm back. So you have a look. Yeah, there is. It's King of the Castle. King of the Castle is on July 12th. As it says, I'm back from TwitchCon. So July 12th. But don't worry, a lot of people seem to miss it. Some people miss it. But all I will say is, if you don't want to miss an event, because I know Twitch can be a little bit annoying. If you click interested, it means that it will let you know when the stream's about to start, and everything else. Also, I'll ping you guys, but so you don't miss out. But yeah, I wanted to get a heads up. So basically, my last stream before TwitchCon is Wednesday. There are some videos happening, which I've tagged as YouTube or Discord, blah, blah, blah. But the next stream back will be on Wednesday. Tuesday is very 50-50. I may leave, because I get back Tuesday. So, no, Tuesday I get back late. So definitely not Tuesday. But even if it was, I was probably rest. But Wednesday will be it. I will do that when I get back to chat. If that's all right. But yeah, so my stream back is Wednesday, the 12th of July. And we are playing King of the Castle in cosplay, as I usually do. And also on stream. And there's also, it'll be celebrating a new update happening in the game. Which, if you lot are part of my Patreon, you will know what that is about. Which is pretty cool. And yeah, and then Thursday is a stream as well. So yeah, but yeah, events are updated for the next few weeks. So you check them out if you want. and press interested if you are interested in them. Anyway, I'm catching with chat. Like I said, please talk about how you lot are doing. Not just for me, for everyone else in chat as well. I'm really small now. But yeah, catch up with people, talk amongst yourselves, you know, hang out and all that stuff. And I will try to my very, very best to say hi to people and catch up with messages, as I always do. But anyway, welcome everyone. Like I said, Audrey, Pingu, Neon, I do not know Void. I do know Void. I do not know comma Void. Nicky Rabbit, Z, Bite, Chan, Hun, Panda, Astra. Thank you for being here before stream. We appreciate it. If you don't know what happens before stream, we don't talk about it. We don't talk about what happens before stream. But if you want to be here before stream, about an hour before, I'm normally in chat. Basically, when I do like, oh, stream starting soon, announcement in Discord. By the way, Discord is there. That's normally when I'm on OBS. So you can either say hi, say you're going to lurk, or whatever you're doing. And I really appreciate it. And it's just nice to vibe. And then I normally complain about time. That's normally how I do. I'm normally going, hey, I'll be right back, I'm eating. Someone normally tries to start a fire. I'm not naming any fucking names. And then, I'm shrinking. And then I stress that I haven't got enough time on my hands. And it's like, how did it become 10 to 7 or 6:50? My chair's been all good today. I've been sat in this chair all day. I think we're good again. I think we're good. We're feeling good. Anyway, like I said, catch you on chat. You know the drill by now. If you don't, then someone else can explain it. If you go, hey, what? You not read my message yet? I'm like, yeah, I'll get there in a minute. All right. Yeah, no, my chair's going again. Why is my chair playing up now? It was fine all day today. Anyway, like I said, I'm going to catch up with chat from the very beginning. Hun, welcome in. Audrey, welcome in. Chan, I'm so good today. I talked a bit with my friend last night about stuff, and when he went, I know I can trust you, and I hope I love him with my whole ass for real. It means so much to me to have sat side to me. Oh, Chan, that's really nice. I'm glad to have people. It's so nice people. Sorry, my chair. I'm just. Again, this chair was fine earlier. I was sat here working all day from like 9 a.m. this morning. And it was all fine completely. Now it's like, oh, you're on stream? Nah, so we'll start working now. And I know I'll probably have to get a new chair. Apparently the piston I put in isn't doing its thing. So something clearly else is going on, or there's like a component that keeps pressing it down. I don't know. But what's annoying is it's not like it's consistent. It's not consistent. Like I can't figure out, oh, I'm sat a different way. I'm sat in many different ways. I think I even punched it the other day and hurt my thumb. Did it work? No. And it's just like, again, I've been sat here for like the last 8+ hours, and it's not time. It's not time like it happens randomly. It will just go, nah, down we go. So yeah. Anyway. So the earliest I saw chat was at 10 minutes past or 7:10. Apparently I can't see anything earlier than that for some reason. I don't know why. My chair's going again. My chair's completely going again. Yeah, for some reason, if you said anything between 7 and 7:10, you repeat your message. I just give up on my chair. I just give up. It's fine. I'll just sit up really straight. Oh, bollocks! Hi, Ad. Welcome in. Hi, welcome. Thank you for the 21 months on your Prime. Hey, guess what, folks? You can use your Prime. It's free. Go use it. You can fix my chair. I need to speak to Corsair for my chair. It's ridiculous. This is. I have to sit really like this. Hi, everyone. I'm not pumping my chest out. I look in pain. I actually look like I'm in pain. Fucking hell. Maybe I just sit on loads of pillows, maybe. No, because that it would tilt. Why? Ugh. If I don't move. Okay, I'm good. Okay, I think I'm good. If I don't move. If I don't move this position here, then we're fine. So anyway, but Chan, that's really good. It's always nice to be trusted by someone. I think, for me personally, I think trust is the greatest thing that someone can give you. Because I think trust is the most important thing in any type of friendship, romantic, otherwise, and stuff. Yeah. So it's to have someone say they trust you. I think that's pretty fucking cool. So it could work. Pan, if I ever send a care package, I'm going to include licorice, even though I'm not Dutch, for the hell of it. I don't need more licorice, Panda. I don't need more licorice. I've got enough. You see this bag? We've had a few of them already. There's still lots in here. There's still lots in here. And I've got a whole fucking box here of licorice. I've still got licorice chocolate, apparently. It's fine. It's fine. Neon, for all the wholesome chaos I caused in this chat, I definitely in the naughty list. I mean, I will put all the people who just joined asking me about why am I doing giveaway that with not one raise on the naughty list. Everyone else is on the nice list for the time being. For the time being, all right? For the time being. Anyway, Pingu was looking for a fellow early bird who didn't have a sub yet, so I could scare you and be nice to memory community. Oh, Pingu, you're very sweet. You're very sweet. Thank you. Don't like it? Take a hike. I mean, but you said it in a better way than I did. I said just fuck off. Midoriya, welcome in. And Nikki and Astra, it's free, so I'm entitled to it. Exactly. I just don't understand it. It's just like, oh, that's not good enough for me. I'm like, okay, well, you're not doing the giveaway. Do a giveaway and you can do what you fucking want, or go somewhere else. All right, jeez. Void, did someone say hype train? No, they did not. No, they did not. You're a liar. Well, Crashwater, good to have you here. Welcome in. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're looking after yourself. Pingu as well. Astra. If I don't miss any names, shout at me. Zamboni, thank you for the 23 months for your prime. Really appreciate it. Hun, thank you for the hype train earlier. I mean, he has told me that long ago, but for someone with trust issues to say that issues and I cry every time. Oh, Chan, it's lovely to hear. I'm glad that you're crying. Crying is good. Don't worry about crying is good. You don't like the giveaway rules? Congrats. You want the giveaway to be a band bonked. Neon, I love that. Yes, absolutely. But just to go welcome as well. Those people, not you. Actually, I didn't think you were talking about me. I mean, you could do that, but it's fine. Chad, to go to anyone's stream just to get free stuff is just iffy. I mean, sometimes people will do that. Some people will go to a stream and enter a giveaway, which is absolutely valid. That's why I do giveaways when I can. Because I mainly want to give away to the community, but I will say, hey, we're doing a giveaway and we'll get people into the channel. It's just, say hi first. That's what it is, I think, with anything. It's just say hi first. Well, no, not that person, because I will still ban them. But it's not even the hi. It's like, hi, how are you? It's just like, when giveaway? Slayer. All right. How many races? Probably about 10. Not good enough. All right. All right. I really don't know what you want me to tell you. Don't know who this person is. Sorry, I'm someone's DMing on Discord. I'm not sure who they are, if they're actually real or bot, but I'm trying to figure out. Anyway, Adam, how you doing, friend? Hope you're doing all right. Appreciate you very much. You think you've already answered, so I'll catch up in chat in a little bit. If you are new or you just popped into chat, you know the drill by now. I am delayed. Hugs, all the hugs, that word. Wide. I was starting to think I'm weird to only participate in giveaways by channels I actually watch regularly. I mean, I think a lot of I know some of you actually only enter if you either A, want the thing, but sometimes people just enter wherever. Thank you, I will hydrate. But I know some people only enter giveaways that they go, oh, I've not been in the community long enough. And I'm like, that's valid. Like, that's valid. Again, like, people want to enter for the first time in the stream. That's okay too, because I can't stop you. So I can stop you if I ban you, obviously. But yeah, I just people. What a bunch of bastards. Ow! What's happened now? I need some coffee. There we go. Pingu, scaring you is just too fun, so we had to do it. I mean, that's fair, Pingu. And also, I've still got scalelets on. So, like, you know, Case is a good time. Case is always a good time. Wait, us getting free stuff. That's why I have been sending Warwick free stuff. Again, I'm concerned what you sent me. Astra, I'll be asleep before ball, so I'm here for good, wholesome chaos. Astra, you are at the right place. Well, I think you are. I don't know. I can't say that. You'll be the judge. Let me know if it is the right place or not. If it's not, then I do apologize. Also, ads about to start, so watch out, everyone. Go subscribe if you want. Oh, I don't know. Just give me money. Yeah, so wait, Neon, a lot of you are near your 12 months. A lot of you near your 12 months. I do that as well because I would feel insanely rude to participate and potentially take the role of someone who actually part of the community. I mean, that's fair. A lot of people don't think like that, Chan. Why? Good weekend. Made my dad a rhubarb crisp for his birthday and helped sis with homework while she recovers from radiation therapy. Oh, good weekend. Very good weekend. Very good week. I hope you rested as well, Wyatt. Did you rest up? You better fucking rest up. I swear to God, if you didn't, I won't do anything about it. But, you know, I will point a finger at you. Touchdown! I know it's not touchdown. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Hi, Zabani. That fucking sounder. I think it gets louder each time. Audrey, tomorrow I'm planning on doing some cleaning with my help and trying to brainstorm if there's a gift I can sneak into my fiance's carry-on so he can open a gift of mine on his birthday when he's in Japan. But because he's only taking carry-on luggage, it can't be big or heavy. Could it be something that he would have to like build? Like he can go flat pack and then he has to build it maybe? Is there something you could do with that? I don't know. That's a lot of photos. But I wasn't complaining about the rain. I just think it's really funny that in Britain, mainly England, that we have two sports happening over summer, cricket and tennis. And they are the two that are very dependent on the weather. Football or soccer or rugby. Other sports that are in the rain. Other sports? Fine. Rains, doesn't matter. Sunny, doesn't matter. And it's snowing, doesn't matter. You know, they just get on with it. Cricket and fucking tennis, a little bit of rain. Nope, get off, covers, gotta wait. And it's just really funny that every year we have the Ashes or we have summer like cricket on and we have Wimbledon and outside of the top two courts, if it rains, it just stops playing. And I just find it really funny that, of course, the first day of Wimbledon, guess what happens? It rains and it's just really funny. And what's even funnier is if you follow your tennis, or you don't, then I'll tell you. But Wimbledon has two courts. It's like the biggest tennis event in the UK, one of the biggest in the world. Very posh, you know, they all have to wear white. It's one of those. But the first two, the centre court and court one, both have roofs now. So detractable, so they can close or open when it weather changes. What's annoying, though, is there will be a point when rain will just appear, because rain just does that, and it starts raining really heavily. And the roof takes a while to close, because I don't know why it takes a long time, but it has to. So it takes a while for closing, and while they do that, there's rain coming through. And it's like, okay, so they close the roof, which happened earlier with Djokovic and someone else, and they didn't have any play for about an hour and a half, even though the roof was closed, because too much rain got through and it was soaked up all the court. So welcome to England. Basically, welcome to fucking England. I just find it really funny. Just two sports very dependent on the weather, and it's like, no, let's do it summer because we know it's always going to rain. It's going to be fucking.
Thank you for all you do, Warwick 12 Straw Waffle.
Spicy, I don't know what I've done. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done to hurt you? I'm joking. Thank you for the 7 months. Thank you. What the heck? I was something today. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. How fucking dare you? Spicy, I adore you. Thank you very much. We probably all came over with the same raid. Pingu, that's probably a very fair point, actually. That's probably a very fair point. Tomorrow will be my 1 year anniversary here. Is it 1 year tomorrow? What I might do, because I'm working from home tomorrow, what I might do is I'll keep Mix It Up on tomorrow. So if anyone wants to pop into the chat when I'm off, I'm not streaming tomorrow, but if you want to pop in the chat to get your 1 year and take a screenshot or something, you can do that. Remind me. Because the only downside is I moved everything from Stream Elements, because Stream Elements is a bag of balls, not the good kind. And sorry, I got itchy. And I've moved it all to mix it up. However, the only downside with mix it up is it only works when I've got the program running. When I don't, then it doesn't do like hardcore quote and stuff. But what I might do is I know a couple of you have got event or anniversaries coming up tomorrow. I will keep Mix It Up open. So if you want to pop into chat tomorrow, then you can get that 1 year. Because if I am on stream again on Wednesday, but it might say 1 year and a day. So if anyone wants that 1 year, I might keep it open. I can't do it every day because some days I have to be not here or anything else, or I sometimes forget. But I will try to remember for tomorrow because I think a lot of you have years coming up tomorrow, I believe. Also, there's the balls. But yes, so I'm actually streaming today and Monday today. We are streaming Monday and Wednesday. So today's obviously marbles in a little bit. Wednesday, we are going to be playing the first Rage game that I think I've played on stream. Like, I don't count Cuphead as a Rage game because Cuphead is skill-based and I really like that game. I need to finish it. But we are going to be playing Only Up. So I hate myself. And I think it'll be quite a funny stream to do before we go to TwitchCon. So that's on Wednesday. I've also been, I got gifted that game actually. And also got gifted the other one that's very ragey, which is Getting Over It. So that will be happening at some point. But yeah, so Wednesday is our last stream before I go away for TwitchCon. I'm almost certain TwitchCon, the panel that I'm on will be shown on Twitch somewhere. I don't know where or where it's confirmed. I think I found a channel where it might be on, but the last video that it was on was 5 years ago. So I'm not sure about that. So I'll find that out. At the moment, I have no idea, but I will let people know because I always do in Discord. But there are videos happening. So this week, YouTube-wise, there's a video going up tomorrow, which is something. I think it was one of my best bits. One of my best bits. Tomorrow's Road 96 Mile Zero, the best bits from that video. Thursday is the edited video of my unboxing of the Layers of Fear box, which you didn't see. Highly recommend it. Very cool stuff in there. And then Sunday should, if I record it this week, Sign Alice Part 5 on Sunday. Monday is Minecraft. Best bits coming out on Monday because I won't be here Monday, so there'll be a video going up on my YouTube. And then is there anything happening Tuesday? No. And then I'm back on Wednesday, the 12th. With King of the Castle, which is a lot of fun. And also there'll be a big announcement happening when I come back about that game. If you're part of my Patreon, you would already know about it. If you're not, then you'll find out soon enough. Soon. Anyway, I'm slowly catching up. We are still 20 minutes behind on chat, but hey, you know what? I try my best. That's all you can ask for. Get it together, bot. No, the bot's trying, all right? You're not spamming followers. The bot's like, oh, I'm trying to go all your followers. Just give me a second, guys. Jeez. That's how Wafflewick speaks. Adam, I'm doing okay. Been on a bit of a life trip, or whatever you call it. Finished my exams and I kind of tried to fix up my life a bit and just figure some stuff out about myself. I don't know why, but I cringe at myself when I talk about it. It just sounds like I'm being a big philosophical guy. But yeah, but I've been taking a bit of a break from the internet as a whole. And thank you for that. Oh, Adam, you know what? Good for fucking you. Good for fucking you. That's a fool. That's, you know, it means a lot to me when I say fucking. But no, that's really fucking good for you, my friend. That's hard to do, to take a break from the internet and stuff, and also be like aware of yourself. I think that takes a lot of strength. So hopefully it's been a good journey for you so far, and hope you're in a better place than you have been. And if you're not, that's okay. If you're still on that journey or trying to figure it out, then at least you're closer to where you want to be than you were a few months ago or something, you know? So, but no, glad you have you here. Drag, fun fact. This is the first birthday in years I can remember there being rain. Oh, yeah. Guess what, everyone? We have a birthday in chat. Sorry, I forgot because technically it said last night, but time zones. Guess whose birthday is? It's a bag in the wind. Happy birthday, Drag! Everyone, happy birthday. He's in chat. You might have already done it, but it's Drag's birthday. Do it again. I think it's still your birthday, isn't it? It's still your birthday. Hang on. Did the bot, unless the bot lied. Did the bot lie? No, it's still your birthday. Till stream ends. That's fine. But yeah, it's funny because obviously it was after. It was like, oh yeah, he's like, he said your birthday. I said happy birthday, and then I woke up and went to bed and woke up and I was like, oh, it's a new day. Fun fact, the bot out here. Oh, please, I'm trying. I'm overweight. Exactly, Chan. The bot's doing his best. I checked them earlier today and haven't seen the stream post-con. I was like, don't be sorry. I just think a lot of people will miss the events, Audrey. It's not just you. I think a lot of people missed the events. I would just say that's been up. The events-wise, it's been up for a couple of weeks. The schedule itself, the scheduled post is only updated weekly. Because if I have too much going on in that post as well, people get overwhelmed. Where the events are just there, hanging there, and it's just easier that way, you know. Yes, I clicked events. Astro, good work. Oh, should I buy a game that's in early access? It's a little expensive, but it looks so fun and amazing. Han, we will, once I catch you with chat, we'll answer that question for you. Don't tell me what game. I'm sure you have, then I'll find out. Oh, Panda, I have a love-hate relationship with fireworks. I love watching them, but one, my cat jiggle. Also, they jiggle in the jiggle as well. Did you know that? My family used to go to the beach all 4th of July until I was 6 and all the fireworks, and the pair they were fired from blew up and worker died. Oh, jeez. But that's not good. I'm the same with fireworks. I think they're very pretty. They are noisy as shit, and for some reason, people like to still light them at like midday when it's fucking sunny. You can't see shit. It's just like fucking noise, and it's horrible. Yeah, I don't know why public is allowed fireworks. I do not know. We're meant to have like oh, hello, what happened there? Oh. I was like, Wafflewick, are you okay? What are you spamming all those random messages for? I was like, oh, because when you do a hug, if you do a hug, it will copy everything after that message. You hug, Wafflewick, I guess it will take everything you put after the command into that message. So I actually put hug Adam and then do all the emotes, and it just did. This Wafflewick isn't subscribed to Salty Human One. Nessie, how dare you, Wafflewick? How dare you? They don't know the emotes. Han, don't worry, Adam, and I'm glad that you're okay and doing things for yourself. Absolutely. What's my plan from the beginning? You know, you're just trying to get hugs up. I mean, that's fine. You can ask for hugs as well if you want. Bite, Chad, don't bite people. I told you, don't bite people. You know me, Void, I don't know you. Freda, thank you for the luck. Appreciate it. Catching up with chat. What is that emote? What the oh, fire speed. Panda, what is that? I like professional fireworks, and even then it's very much relationship can create stress for fireworks. Just end up everywhere, and what's my childhood pony has signed off singe off hair. Oh jeez, that's not good. Well, it could have been worse though, but yeah, it's not great. Yeah, Jill's trying to figure things out, but I feel a lot better about my life and all that shit at the moment, and that's why we are back for Walk Stream. Excellent, glad to hear it. Because self-care is important. In fact, funny enough, I'm speaking about self-care in that panel on Saturday. There we go. It's hard as fuck taking self-care. I'll probably just chat before stream once in a while, and then let me tell you, I've seen some things before stream. What happened? Okay, most things that happen before stream is normally people want to start fires. Again, not naming any names, because there's a lot of you. It's normally spamming emotes. It's me figuring out things are broken and fixing them or making them worse. And the other thing that we do is quotes. And we tend to find a lot of funny quotes because I have a lot of funny quotes, which is normally about balls or something around that area. I'm not obsessed, I swear, but I'm almost certain you put a quote in, it will bring up a ball related quote or something. And if not, then we will find it. But that's basically what it is. And then it's me panicking, going, oh, I've got time. And then look at the clock again. No, I don't. It's like 2 minutes. I'm not going to done anything. That's basically it. Maybe Chair wants a break. Give Chair a pat on the back. I mean, maybe it does need a break, but again, it seems fine now. The chair seems fine now. And I'm not sitting there any differently. It's just very, I just like, if I could figure out why, or if there's a particular spot that I was sat on that it was making it do it, then I'll go, great. But for some reason, it's just not, and I don't know why. I do not know why. I love his shirt. So thank you, Pinky. I don't wear it enough. I don't wear the shirt enough. I was like, I saw it in my wardrobe. I was like, why haven't I worn this for ages? And I was like, I don't know why. But yeah, it's really nice. Don't cuddle my chair. It does not deserve it. I mean, it does deserve it. It takes a lot of weight from me. But yeah, Fanged, welcome in. Hi, I'd welcome in if I missed any names and stuff. Pet's chair. Gambattle check. Imagine doing anything straight. I mean, it's not nice. It's not nice now. Make sure you don't throw your back out from sitting straight. Grab a pillow if you need to sit queer. I've got pillows already. We should get them some pillows. I've got pillows. You not see my fucking sofa? You see my fucking pillows I've got? Hang on. Look at all my fucking pillows. I've got so many. And there's still like more there. And there's like all there. And there's a nugget over there. Also, I don't think you can see it, Chan, or chat, because my forehead's in the way. Some of the ducks that Chan made are up there at the moment. You cannot see them for the life of me. I might get a shelf or not. I don't know. But anyway, some of them are there. The penises and everything else is around there somewhere. But yeah, don't worry about it. Oh, I'm zoomed in. Hi, there's my face. A friend of mine has to do that to drive. She is so short she can't even see over the steering wheel. Otherwise, I love that. It's like that's very cute. Oh no, you can't see. Wait, so we're supposed to say messages again? No. I catch up. It just means I'm delayed, very like 20 minutes delayed. Adam, you're fine. So if we talked about how we were doing, no. It's just sometimes if I'm really delayed in chat, the chat will update. Like I think it's every half an hour or 45 minutes. It will at like a certain point just have to refresh, and it will just auto refresh after like 45 minutes or something. I don't think there's a way to stop that. I don't know. I don't know. So I just need to just make sure I catch up with chat. But sometimes chat will update slightly, and it will be like a time gap. And what happened earlier was between 7 and 7:10. It just went. But after that, I can see with chat. So at the moment, it's 7:26. According to my chat. It's not, because it's 7:48. So I'm still quite behind on chat. So the only way you can speak to me directly is by bits. I'm not joking. Or tips. I think tips you can do messages as well, and TTS will say it out loud. Now you don't need to move to keep the chair in position. I need to move, hun. I need to move the chair. Be back later. No worries, Drag. Take care. Wholeheartedly agree. To me, trust is the base for every. Absolutely. Hello, Martin. Good to have you here. Welcome in. Something's missing. Did your sounder not play? I think Mix It Up is having a moment. Either that's not connecting to chat. I don't know why. Oh, I know why. Mix It Up hasn't been reset. Hang on. I need to no, it played Zambonis. I don't know why I didn't play yours, Martin. Because I will remember that. I don't know why. I didn't play Just Guys either. So I don't know what's going on. He played Zambonis earlier, but I don't know why it's not playing some of them. Mix It Up is having a bit of a moment today. No?
Oh, you cocksucker, motherfucker, asshole, dick cheese! I will fuck you up.
There we go. Martin, I don't think I've asked. Where is that from? Is that from a movie? I was just like, yeah, it's fine.
Good idea to use TTS.
There we go.
Entry sounders are not playing. Why is everything always broken? Spent the weekend with manual updating things where a developer booked their automatic updater for a change.
So it was your fault, Grumpy. So you updated everything then? Was that what it was? So you updated something. So it was developer who broke it. Got it. Okay, good. I don't actually know why, because for some reason it played Zambonis, but didn't play others. So I don't know why. It's very odd. But Grumpy also welcome in. I don't think yours played either, did it? It's fine. Are other things playing, by the way? Did Gifts play? No, not him again. His sound is playing. Hang on. Let me test stuff. See, that's working.
I have to go now.
See, that's
My
working.
planet needs me.
So there, so that works. That works. That's fine. And these are all with, this is all with mix it up. Oh, see, that works. Pixelated. Wow,
I'm only breaking your things when you don't pay your dues.
Yeah. 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 What about Ducky? Yeah, Ducky works. See, Ducky works. How odd. Mix it up just having a funny 5 minutes. Stream elements. I'll blame stream elements. Blame stream elements. What about meme? Wait for the duck to finish. Oh, right. Good duck. A duck. There we go. See, memes, yeah, memes are working. There's Ashley. There's Ashley. What sounders? So I'm doing all the things at the moment. All the things. Wow, that was quick. Jeez. There we go. I don't know. Oh. I and again, my fucking forehead, my godforsaken forehead. What? I actually don't know. I actually don't know what to say about that. That's. He praised my sounder because he called it a touchdown. Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. Anyway, there's a lovely face of me. Should we play a new game? Not a new game. It's not a new game. But shall we play another game of penis or not? I need to think of a better name for this. Anyway, let's find out if Discord thinks this is a penis or not, shall we? Or someone else already shared it. No, not yet. Okay. Let's find out if Discord thinks it's a penis or my face. Don't say it's both because how dare you? All right. If anything, it's a butt. Right. Let's find out, shall we? Oh. It's a face! It's a butt! There we go. It's on Discord. Excellent. There we go. Anyway, 3, 2, 1. There you go, you fuckers. Anyways, that's a terrible picture. That's a terrible picture. It's horrible. Anyway. Hate that in this stream. I hate Adam. I can't be 100% sure if it's me or someone else. Adam, you're fine. Adam, it's definitely you. If it's the other Adams, it'd be, I will say, if you want, Adam for Norway, if you prefer, this is to anyone else, if I get your names mixed up or there's a preference to your name, there's a preference on how you want me to say your name, if you want to be called Adam for Norway or a abbreviation of that, let me know and I can make a little note next to your name. So when you pop up, it will say your name, but in brackets, and then the version or the how you want to be known as. So if you would prefer to be Adam for Norway or just Norway or from, well, don't be from, that'd be weird, or AFN, let me know and I can add that. I don't want anyone to be confused. It was all about the attitude and the enters. That's the thing. It's just about the attitude to enter the giveaway. That's all it is. The fun thing about being in this community is that we're all here for Monday Marbles, but the thing we are most hyped for is not the giveaway, but the murder mold. Because you lot and your bloody murder balls. I need to update that, by the way. I've been a bit lax with that last few weeks. But I do know Han and Fanged are higher up in the leaderboard because, of course, they are. Don't know how that fucking works. Oh, Pinky, go have fun with your boyfriend. I mean, have a fun walk. I mean, have fun. Go have fun. I only enter if it's something I want all my friends to have. Makes no sense to enter into something or someone very close to me doesn't actually want. That's also very fair. I enter things that I can, because if I win it, I give it to someone who may want it or like it and stuff. But yeah, it's just the attitude. It's just the attitude. It's like, oh, that's not good enough. I'm like, it's free. Fuck off. You know? Damn, a lot of you are 11 months. Jeez. I'm only here for licorice and balls. Zamboni, that's a lie, because I was here. I've been here. You've been here a lot longer than the licorice. Rest to me. Oh, it's on. But yeah, that's Zamboni sounder. That was a loud finger. Where was your sounder, Martin? I'll fix it for you. Pop in and say hi. You're so amazing, Warwick, and I hope the day has been kind. The day hasn't been too bad. Thank you, Spicy. I hope you've been all right as well. How about Chicago Street race cancelled for flooding? Was that what happened? Was it that bad that it has to be cancelled? Jeez. You exist. That's all you need to know. Dude, fuck off, Spicy. No, don't be wholesome in this chat. No. Is it Saltwick? Hang on. Did I just shout out Salty? Am I just shouting out Salty? I shouted out Salt. I meant Saltwick. Hang on. There we go. I shouted out Salty. I was like, what did you shut me up for? Why is the roof not just closed? Because the reason, really was the roof isn't always closed because it's actually played differently in the tennis. If you play indoors compared to outdoors, it's very different. And because it's summer, they try to keep it outdoors as much as they can do. But yeah, apparently you can change things quite drastically depending on if the roof is shut or not. I don't know. It's just hitting a fucking tennis ball. Damn, you lot have been here. God, a year and 6 months, Audrey. Let's go. I'm very happy that you get to do some fun stuff in Paris. You deserve it. But I'm also kind of sad that we won't be watching on my birthday. Audrey, unlucky. But next year. You know what? Blame Twitch. Twitch's fault. They should have known it was your birthday. Look at you guys. Happy birthdays. Thank you, everyone. I'll be right back. I need to grab something to drink. Heine, go enjoy drink. Blah. I tend to go to Discord events because I know a while ago that they tend to be planned further ahead than the other places you post your schedule. Yeah, like I said earlier, and I'll say again, is I don't want to post like 3 or 4 weeks a schedule in a scheduled post because the information in there will just get lost. And also, but I prefer it with events because then you can click it. It's like it's its own tab, and you click it, and you can just go, I like it, and forget about it. Where if I posted, I think I did it for a while, where I posted like 2 or 3 weeks in advance on my schedule, and that's great, but it just gets lost because like, oh my god, what's going on? So I try to keep it by week, so you know, right, this week is this, you know, because I've now got my YouTube videos happening as well, and there's a lot of information. I don't want people being overwhelmed by it. And also for me as well, because I'm like, okay, wait, what week is this? And I struggle enough making sure I've got my timings right for each week, the first week, you know. But with events, I just find it's easier just to make events in advance and just have it there, you know. Just like hide the very, 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 very long message. Just the guy has given the very, 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 very long message. A big hug because they deserve it, and we appreciate them a lot. I mean, it still makes sense. Hug balls. I mean, all right. Bite can have a little bite, as long as Bite bites gently. I think Bite does bite gently, but I'm not sure. Stop trying to do stuff, Grumpy. Quote: things like gender stereotypes is a social construct created by humans. Anyway, we create our own storms and then cry when it rains. Oh, that's a very fancy little quote. What's going on? I don't care about that. It's fine. Sorry, I just saw an alert come up. Something is broken again. Something is always broken, Grumpy. I'm not a huge fan of big fireworks. I prefer simple things like sparklers. Sparklers are fun. Look, Midoriya going to do some nail polish, removing new polish later. Oh, Midoriya, enjoy. The shit needs to be seen more. I will make sure it's seen more. Wood. Growlith, welcome in. Hi. Hello. I see a little bit of a ducks. Ducks? There are some ducks. There are definitely some ducks. The penises are so cute. Honestly, they're so cute and they're really soft as well. Hello, Josh. Welcome in. Hope you're looking forward to Twitch. I am, Josh. Hope you are as well. I'm very late. I'm very late in chat, by the way, Josh, but I am very much so. Hope you are as well. I see that little Paris badge next to your name. I'm really annoyed that there's no Eiffel Tower emote, like as in just as an emote. There's it's not even like, I don't think you can get the French flag. Only certain places. It's very annoying. But if you try to put the flag in, I think is it? No, the flag's there. But, oh, yeah. Like, it just goes FR. No, that's not the flag. Yeah, if you catch up with chat too slowly, chat going all turbulent, Russell, because we would read all that anyway. Grumpy, bro. Hello, Master. Welcome in. Thank you, Grumpy, for your TTS as well. Oh, what happened to that clip, by the way? How weird. I just randomly found it. Did you find it, Martin? Right, we're catching up slowly. You stop moving the moment it reached your forehead. I, for some reason, think my head doesn't move. I'm like, and then I go, oh yeah, hello. Like, I think my head just knows. You hope a penis. Has anyone made a compilation of the face warts, by the way? Not yet, but I mean, if you want to, go for it. Like, some of them are they're all shared content, so go for it. Not a penis. Is that a peen on my screen? Oh, wide. I like that. I like that a lot. I like that. Is that a peen on my screen? I like that a lot. Chat, what do you think? What do we think of this? What do you think of that? What do we think of that? I really like that. I like that a lot. I like that. I think we might name that. Is that a peen on my screen? I like that. We might try that. All right. But actually, you know what? I will pin that. There we go. There we go. We now pin that message. You know what? Because I like chaos. Adori. I like adorable. No, Adori. No, murderable. You're not yet, Panda. Actually, it's more like Fanged in action than murderable and stuff. I mean, yeah, I know, but I just don't get it. Again, marbles is random. I just don't get it. Actually, it's me. See last Minecraft session for reference. God damn it! Look at fucking Minecraft. If you not watched my Minecraft video on Thursday, either wait for the highlights, which come out next Monday, or watch the VOD back, because my goodness me. It works because we love smashing your balls, right? Fanged? Hi. No. No, licorice balls. Anyone have any tips for what I need to save from my phone or shouldn't forget to do before I give it to a factory reset? The things, a lot of things are saved, can be saved on your SIM. So check phone numbers and contacts, see where they're saved. A lot of them can be normally backed up straight away nowadays. If you're on Google, I think it's always backed up. And if not, I think it backs up to the SIM, but double check that. And just pictures and videos. I think everything else you don't really like. Passwords. If you got passwords somewhere else, you probably don't need to write them down. But for phones, just make sure like your pictures and videos are saved. Like I got a Google Pixel, so it automatically updates through Google Drive. So all my stuff is on there. So if I need to do a factory reset, I'm safe to do that. I know some phones are different, and depending on how old they are and stuff. My first 2 years and 1 month of following were disappointingly lacking in licorice, but I never lost faith. Zamboni, can I make that? I'm going to make it as a quote. I'm making that comment as a quote. Can I do that? Can I make that quote ad? Quote ads. Fucking nigga. Linda, my love. Hello, Linda. Welcome in. Right. Hopefully that works. I will find out when I catch up with chat. We'll find out, I guess. If not, someone else will make that for me. Sorry, hang on. What's that meant to be? What? Linda, is that blurred? Is that message blurred in there? What is that? Oh, wrong thing. Hang on. Oh, hi! It says hi! From there, it looks like it's blurred, like it's censored whatever word you put. From here, obviously the screen that I've got on OBS is quite small. It looked like, you know, when you like blur out like a license plate or something. It looked like that, so it looked like this chat was censoring you. I was like, Linda, what did you put? It was also like, I know you. I know you. So I'm like, Linda. Damn, I know too little about tennis. Tennis is just odd. I mean, I was actually really good at tennis when I was younger. I actually was very good at tennis. I wish I pursued it. Actually, do I? Nah, probably wouldn't be doing this. Would I have been that good? Probably not. I probably would have been... No, I wouldn't be that good. But no, I was actually pretty good when I was really young. I enjoyed a lot of tennis. Hey, welcome in, Raiders. So I was like, what the fuck is that? Hello, Duck and Duck. Welcome in, Suzu. Welcome in, Raiders. Welcome in. How you doing? Welcome in. How you doing? Welcome. Things are broken, apparently, but it's fine. I can't begin. I'm TwitchCon in a few days. But welcome in. Get over here. If you could do a shout out for us, I appreciate it. I feel like I've been here far longer than March. I mean, Panda, like, is that a good or bad thing? Please don't answer that question. Logins and contacts are saved to my Google account, and I'm currently doing pictures in WhatsApp files. I mean, that's where I think, doesn't WhatsApp save online, or can't you download like a document or something for it? There you go. Majora's got it all. Make sure your message logs are backed up too. Shout. Spectral, welcome in. You're going to do a lurky luck. Enjoy your luck. Appreciate your luck very much. Han, welcome back. Did I miss part of the quote? No, I'm good. Wait, did I? Oh, what? Sorry, I'm sorry, I confused myself. Pinky, welcome back. But yeah, no, but for some reason, the French flag isn't on all of it. Like, if you try to put it, like, I think on Windows emotes, it doesn't have it. I forgot. Because if you try to put it in, it just says FR for some reason. I don't know. Maybe it's just different computers and stuff. I forgot I need to watch the rest of the Minecraft. It's so funny. Oh my God, I hurt so much. But again, there is a Minecraft, like, highlights video coming out on Monday. It's like 7... How long is it, actually? Also, I need to put it on Patreon. Remind me someone put it on Patreon. Sorry, weird noises. It's on my screen. Ew. It is... Also, I got a new video come out yesterday. Go watch it. Also, I need to reply to messages. It is 7 minutes, 36 seconds long. The Minecraft video. Wait, is it? Is that the right one? Yes. Yes. And if you want to know the chaos, of the screenshot that YouTube decided on it, it won't. Oh, something's not working. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, sorry. Nope. Okay. That's fine. Apparently things aren't. Okay, things are reset. Anyway, if you want to know the level of chaos that happened in the stream, this is the video. This is the thumbnail that YouTube has chosen for this video. Where is it? Here we go. That's the thumbnail. That's the thumbnail that YouTube decided. I'm not going to have this thumbnail. I will do a better one, of course, for Minecraft. But that's the thumbnail that YouTube decided to have as the thumbnail at the moment for Minecraft. So, yeah. A lot of things going on in that screen. A lot of things going on in that screen. But yeah. Anyway, Dark, thank you for the raid. Hope you had a good stream. I'm slowly catching up with chat. I'm very behind. I'm getting there. Why we wonder about pings on our screens is basically, for some reason, whenever I try to or whenever someone posts anything with a bit of skin on a picture in our Discord, the Discord bot, which is literally like actual Discord, they have, because it's community Discord, they will determine or they will stop any images that may be like sexual or might be not allowed and stuff. The only downside with that, because it's good that sometimes it will do it automatically, rather than us mods having to deal with it when it's posted. The downside with that is it's all automatic, and even myself have no control over it. So even though I own the Discord, not the Discord, but that Discord, I could post something that, like, I think there was a picture where I had my arm like this, and Discord was like, nope. Nope. And we can't overwrite it. There's no way to, like, manually review stuff, which I guess is good because it keeps us safe. I'm like, I want to be able to choose to manually review pictures that I want to choose to see, and then see if it's safe or not, because I own the Discord, like the Discord server. So, but yeah, that's why we're talking about pings on my screen, basically, because it's like, for some reason, every time we do a face warp, it seems to sometimes not allow me to post it in Discord, because it's like, that's a pin. But Linda, hi Linda, welcome in, Linda. It did work. It did work. Excellent. For Android, check in accounts and then WhatsApp, do manual backup. There we go. Sweet. We are getting to go to 66. We are getting very close to 66 quotes. I'm very excited to see what our 666 quote is. I know that for the last 3 phone changes, I kept the old device and always found some bits to migrate after the move. I think there's always stuff that you just figure out, you go, what? There's always something you go, oh yeah, I should have moved that. Yeah, Mina, that's how that message looked like to me. It was H, hidden. Like, Linda, what are you putting in chat? Right, slow catching up. Licorice. A treat for what? Thank you. I will have a treat. Thank you, Boyd. I will have a treat. Non-licorice. Whatever this red one is. I think it's strawberry again. But... Thank you, Dark. Thank you. I hope you had a good stream as well, my friend. For a quick licorice fix, I advised in... What is that? Ah, sorry. Is that more licorice? I don't need more licorice. I have enough licorice. No, I don't need more licorice. Also, why is it £8 on Amazon? Well, you suggesting these ones, Oscar? Well, you suggesting these ones? Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to get through these because these are harder ones to get through. Oh. Hang on. But it's in the window somewhere. There we go. Hey, why is it? Oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness me. Why? 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 Also, can I get dark mode, please? No. Thank you. All right. Why is it not only £8 to get on Amazon? Because obviously it's going to be import, but it's also £11.12 for delivery, and it will get here around the 10th of July, which is next week. That's great. What? All right. Well, I've already got some, so sucks to be you. You know. Do I need any more? No. I'm actually really good. And again, I have to stress, I'm not saying I dislike licorice. I like licorice. I'm indifferent with licorice. It's just very funny that for someone who's gone from having no licorice for quite a few years to now having a lot of licorice, it's just very jarring. I'm like, my life is now consumed with licorice. It's everywhere. It's absolutely everywhere. Anyway. I think that might be my first quote. Maybe that means I'll finally win a giveaway. Zamboni, no. Are there spiders in the Minecraft highlight video? Is there spiders? I think there's a noise. I think there's a noise of a spider. The reason why I say that is for some reason, when these things with Minecraft, we also had crowd control, which basically you can spawn enemies in. And there's loads of bits where I think, because I was quite lower ground in the game, when these creatures spawned, they spawned where there were lots of blocks, which meant they quickly died. But they sure made it known that they were dying. So I'm pretty sure in one of the clips there's probably a spider you can hear meeting its doom. Unless you're a wraith, grief, whatever it was, where you're so big that you just blow up the whole bloody area, then you're good to go. But anything smaller, I think, got literally like warped into the blocks and then, yeah, couldn't get out. So, yeah, very dark. Love that motion blur, right? I had a similar video on with earbuds while I was washing dishes last night and got repeatedly jump scared. Oh, what? Thank you. I'm really glad you appreciate it. I'm really it's a 50-minute video. The one from yesterday, and it's only part 1 as well. I've recorded the whole thing, so I need to edit the other parts. But it's really fun. I'm really enjoying playing it. And again, I'm really enjoying playing these games like this because it allows me to play a game that's 3 or 4 hours long, record it, do quick edits, because like a lot of these games don't have to do too many editing in it, which is great for me because I don't have a lot of time to do stuff. And I can put it on my YouTube. So it's like, it means I'm not putting all the pressure on streams because I only stream like 3 days a week, and one of them is marbles. So I don't get time to really play all these games, which is why YouTube's so great. And everything else with that, you know. Better not show naked shoulders of a female appear in person. Discord. Yeah, Discord, shoulders and arms. Doesn't like. Linda, you know that's a lie. Linda, you know that's a lie. In fact, that was a very you have Herald of Elf on the Shelf, but have you heard of peeing on a screen? Squish the sausage. There you go. So if you want to receive another care package, what would you want to receive instead of licorice? I'm fine with anything. Again, it could be more licorice. It's just I've got so much. I'm only one guy. It's like going to take a long time to go through. Outside of that, I don't know, actually. The baked stuff, maybe, but then, you know, shipping and stuff like, I don't know. Biscuits. That cost €2. That's ridiculous. That's, import. That's so expensive. Better let a Dutch waffles into a few bags. No, Void, I don't need more. I don't need more, all right? For the package I compiled, I made an effort not to include licorice. I don't... I adore you. I really appreciate you. However, when you have to say, I made an effort not to include licorice, and then the smiley face, which is... Actually, can someone... Actually, hang on. Just... Hang on. I've realised what picture I want. Hang on. I realised what picture I want. Someone just take a screenshot. I'm going to take a screenshot, but I'm just going to make this face. I made that as an emote. Anyway, let's see how it look like. Yeah, perfect. I'm going to use that as an emote. just zoom into my face. Anyway, it's fine. Someone spawned a spider and we saw it in the game. Yeah, someone did spawn a spider, but not a lot really happened with that spider. It just appeared and then it died. So not a lot happened. Honestly, there's like 7.5 minutes long in that video and there's so much that goes on, you know. But I will say, I will stress this. I couldn't have made that video of any audit or any of the other highlight or best bits videos without you lot clipping. Like, clipping, it saves me so much. Like, I could, in theory, go through each VOD, pick up the best bits, do clips and everything else. That will take me hours upon hours upon hours of stuff, and I don't have time. Where with clips, I can literally grab all the clips that you lot made, put them all together, they're all 30 seconds long. I can go for each one. Sometimes they're duplicates, so I delete the ones of the duplicates, and I will edit around the best bit, and then make it into a video. And because you lot clipped so much, and because it was very funny on Thursday, I was able to make a decent sized video in like an hour, which is beautiful, you know. So clipping really helps, you know, it really does. That's right, yeah, spider. Yeah, sorry, spider appeared in daytime. It didn't attack me, yeah. Wither, honey, I'm home. There was no home to speak of, Panda. I don't know if I could handle even the sound of a spider. Last time I played Minecraft, it triggered my arachnophobia. There we go, arachnophobia. Minecraft is a horror game. Minecraft is a horror game. I don't care what anyone else. Minecraft is a horror game. I'm not good at the waiting stuff while stuff gets transferred from my phone to my laptop thing. Even while watching stream, my hands need to do something. I mean, that's fair. I'm like that if I update my phone. I'm like, oh, I want to do stuff. I put it down. 30 seconds later, I pick up my phone and go, oh, yeah, shit, it's still updated. I'm like, I want to do something. I'm like, I'm chronic online. Talking about Minecraft spider sounds, remind me that on that small server I played on, we recently created a new world to play with the 120 features. What are the 120 features? Or 1.20? Or 1.2a features? Because I had it, but I had to down or degrade it for the mod to work. But I heard it's really good. I heard it's like they've added a lot of cool stuff with it. Spawn point is on the outskirts of a cute village, and there are 3 cave spider spawners right next to each other. Is that on purpose or just randomly? Deep down below that village. We laughed so hard when we found those. We built an XP farm around. Fair play. Was that random? I've still got it. Not for long. Not for a little longer. I may continue for another month, but it will be closing shortly. I think in the next few weeks. So if you want to send stuff, I think Byte sent something. I think that should arrive soon. Anyone else who wants to send stuff, DM me, and we'll figure it out. Got a dash for a hot second. Be back soon. No one spicy. Appreciate you, Grumpy. That's because the Wither isn't going. Honey, I'm home. But honey, I'm homing. Yeah, that was totally randomly generated by the world seed. God, that's a decent seed. Scary seed, but then you can XP farm it. Anyway, I have caught up with chat. What is that? No, it's my beard. Yeah, beard. had a Starbucks style sticker, but Sailor Moon, I got it myself that. Oh, that's cool, Pingu. I might make myself a bowl of pasta. Pasta's a good idea. So I sort of skipped lunch, but I wait till this one folder's transfer so I can start the next one before. That's if I ever transfer stuff, I'm like, okay, I've got to wait for this to transfer first, and then I will go do something. But I'll make sure to start the next transfer, and then go do my thing. You know. Anyway, we caught a chat. It's only taking me an hour and 20 minutes. God. Anyway, we're gonna put some words on. But it should. If not, then I can give them my home address, so it should be fun. I think you'll be safe. I think I've got it for another 3 weeks or so it should be good. I think the exact date was something. I will find out on my break. Anyway, you want to play Words on Stream? Who wants to play Words on Stream? Do you want to play Words on Stream for a little bit while I go for a quick break? You got no choice in the matter, actually. So, and then maybe we'll play some. So I just saw the pinned message. I was like, what's that? I was like, oh yeah. Oh yeah, I did that. That's right. I do like that. Is that a pin on my screen? I do like that. I'm gonna. Yeah. Anyway, make a note of that. Make a note. There we go. Oh no, Han, we'll do it now. Han, we'll do it now. Say stop when you stop. So I thought you were still lurking. You came back, didn't you? All right. Say stop when you stop. All pasta. Now I want a bowl of spaghetti with tomato sauce and a whole container of Parmesan cheese. Fucking love Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese is so good. Stop. Anyway, before we go for break, actually, let me. I want to do a bit. I want to make sure. I want to get words started, or just about to start, and then we do the book, and I can run away depending on the answer. Yeah, cool, great. Right. That's that. Don't give me that look, Pingu. Don't give me that look. I'm wanting to prepare myself, all right? To be fair, it's for Hun, so I think Hun's safe. It's if it's someone else who doesn't like the book very much, or sorry, rephrase that, the book doesn't like them very much, then maybe I have to prepare more. Wait, what? Hello? Oh yeah. Attempt was made. Right, there we go. Anyway, we're about to play some words for you lovely lot, and then when we come back, break for a little bit, chill out, have some fun, chill out, have some fun, chill out. Apparently I said that 3-4 times now, don't know why. And then do some words. What the book told me. Oh shit,
I have
they
to
did.
Go now. My planet needs me.
Alright, anyway, I'm off now. Bye. And I'm back again. Well, the book told me to do something in the backyard. I don't think that book was likes me. That's a good point. Bite? The book not liking someone? Nah. No. What are you talking about? Oh yeah, I have quite a lot of cherry tomatoes, some lactose-free cream cheese, some pesto and balsamic reduction, which will make up the pasta sauce if I have energy to make it. Sounds like quite good. Anyway, answer time. Answer time. So Hud has asked a question, which is the basis of a question that I don't remember. I do remember. The question was, should they buy a game that is in early access, but it's really cool? I think that's what the wording was. Should Han buy a game that is in early access? It's a little expensive, but it looks so fun and amazing. We will answer this question. Then we'll have some words. That's true, Audrey. It has been nice to you. To be fair, it's been nice to a lot of people. Just, it's selective. But anyway, the answer to Han's question, that sentence, right, is, are we ready? I want to see hype in chat. I want to see hype. I want to see drums. Do we have drums? Is there a drum emote? Is there a drum emote? Drum. Is there a drum emote? Oh my God, what am I doing? What have I done? Oh, I don't want to do that. There we go. Hang on. Do I have a drum emote? Oh, there is actually a drum emote. Oh, there's actually... I did not actually know that existed. It's called Drum with Drumsticks. Ha! I will add as a command. Anyway, all right. Actually, you know what? I'll add it right now. Han's like, just give me the fucking answer, Warwick. Just give me the fucking answer. like, Warwick's like, Warwick, what are you doing? Like, I'm doing what I always do. I'm doing what I always do. Right. We need to space it out a little bit, all right? Don't laugh. You know it's true. Oh, you're laughing because you know it's true, hon, don't you? You're like, Warwick, why can't you do anything? It's fine. Right. There we go. That's what you're thinking, right? Don't pop the drum. There we go. Right. Actually, more drums. More drums. There we go. Right. There's a command. Save. Right. Now, hopefully, when you put drum roll, it should now work. I don't know why we've not had one till now. No? Doesn't like that, apparently. Did I not save it? Or maybe the bot is broken. No, I spelled it right. Oh! Try it now. Sorry, try it now. No, not drum rolls. Drum roll. Try drum roll. No, not dumb roll. Drum rules. There we go. I fixed it. There we go. God. Anyway. Right. Are we ready? Drum rolls. Are they ready? You should know. No. It's not roll drum. That's the one. There we go. Right. So Han's answer to the question of should I buy a game that's in the access, which is expensive but very cool and amazing. The answer is oh shit. That's a deep question. That's a deep answer. You may have to drop other things. I mean that makes sense. You have to drop other things. Wow. All right. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Oh, praise the book! So it didn't actually answer the question, as it always doesn't. It never actually answers. Okay, no, it rarely answers a question. But it's like, okay, but you didn't really give me an answer. But you're like, if I do this, I will have to drop other things. So maybe the game is maybe. Anyway, hope that was worth the wait. I'm sure hell it wasn't, but you know. Where's my music? Music! There you go. Stream a playlist. There we go. Nope, not that one. Excuse me. Pardon me. Private. There we go. Expensive, so drop the other purchases. Bite's right. Oh, that sucks, Orgy. Hopefully you got another one. Or hopefully you saw it. Hello, P-Mum. Things are broken at the moment. I will reset on the stream, but things seem to be broken at the moment. Anyway, I love you all. I'm going for a break. Enjoy your words. I'll see you guys a little bit, all right? Bye-bye. Well, not bye. We'll be back later, but go play words first, all right? Take care. Take care. You get it? Take care, because the care's in the word. Take care. I'm going to go now. Bye. So I didn't mean to stop the music. I meant to mute myself, not stop the music. Sorry. Let's read that again. Bye.
Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go. Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go. Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go. Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go.
No, not him again. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? It's very faint. It's very faint, but I'm very slowly sinking. Again. I just got off from my chairs now.
Oh, you cocksucker, motherfucker, asshole, dick cheese, I will fuck you up.
Hey, listen.
Anyway, more words while I fix my chair! Also, Kim, hi. Actually, I don't know who I'm saying hi to now. Because, like, the bot, we had to reset the bot, so it's going to say hi to a lot of people again. Yeah, my chair's going. Oh, it's now even quicker now. It's even, it's even quicker now. Blooming heck. Oh, my goodness me, it's even quicker now. Anyway, hi, everyone. P-Mum, hi. Kim, hi. Everyone else, hi. Hope you're doing well. Let me know how you're doing if you haven't said hi, Ray, or not. Bye, Warwick. No. I don't want anyone to spend any money on Frame. If it's Corsair, I can speak to Corsair. I don't want anyone spending.
Now.
Oh,
My planet needs me.
off I go. Never mind. Who needs a chair when you just go to space? No, if it's Corsair, I'll speak to Corsair. Like, it's June now, so I'll probably better get something sorted out. I'll probably speak to him about it. It's just really annoying because it's just like, there's no particular reason why it's, I think I know why he's doing it, but there's no like, oh, if I sit in this bit, it happens. It's like, there's no point. There's no pawns. Is pawns a word? Pawns a word. So it doesn't like anals, or pawns is okay. All right, words. But yeah, like if I could pinpoint where it was happening, like, oh, when I sit in this particular bit, it happens. It's not like it's, yeah. I know you've got it before, but it doesn't like anals. It likes anal, but not anals, but it likes porn and pawns. I've got me some pawns. I mean, yeah. Hello, chicken, welcome in. Anyway. Don't mind me while I try to fix my chair again. And again, what's really annoying is I've been sat on my chair all fucking day, like from work. Like it's what, almost 12 hours? Oh, I've been up for like break and stuff, but like I'm pretty much been on my chair 9 till 5 work shift and now streaming. And during work, it was absolute fun. Kim, go enjoy your lurks. Go enjoy your lurks. You don't work too hard, all right? Or work hard, don't I? I'm not your mum. You're not my dad. Anyway. But yeah, anyone in chat, let me know how you did. If you haven't said already, say, hey, Warwick, you know what? I'm not doing good. Fuck you. Please don't say that to me. I've got feelings. No, my chair's going. Oh, anyway, you can see my shirt at least. You can see my shirt at least. Ugh. I'm not your mom. Hello, Whoops. Good to have you here. Welcome in. Welcome in. No, gone again. No, it's going again. Fuck me. Can I just kick it? If I'm doing okay, would that be slightly inconvenience you? Yeah, you have to be really good or really shit. Either one. No, you can't just be okay. No, just that's good. Just a guy. What just happened there? Just a guy. Did you press the wrong button? Did someone press the wrong button? Chicken, come back! Whoops, absolutely. You did nothing, chicken. It happens sometimes. It happens. It happens. Don't worry about it. It's fun. What I do. This doesn't help me in any way. Well, you saw it gives me money, but you know. There you go. Where the mod buttons are, it's really easy to press them. And because chat moves so quickly. Oh my goodness me. Anyway, have a sub from me.
One sub to chicken.
There you go. Have a sub from me. There you go. Sorry about that. Don't worry about it. It's fine. It sometimes happens. But chat moves up so fucking quickly, and yeah. Oh, don't worry about it. I get half the money back, so it's fine. I mean, you're welcome. I've been on a rocky week, to be honest. I'm now in a position where my small business needs to start working hard so I can keep doing it over the next year. Oh no, Liz, is it that bad? Everyone go buy stuff from Linda's store and spit over my mic. Don't do the second part. It happens more often than we wish, but it's good for a laugh. Absolutely. Linda, I'm sure you will get it working. I'm sure you will. Was wondering what chicken did since they've been involved. I mean, we like to keep everyone on their toes. That's what we do. We want to keep everyone in their toes, but we don't want anyone to feel safe here. I mean, sorry, no, don't quote me out of context. Is it? Oh, it's not pawns again. Oh, it's 5 letters. I put poor, didn't I? Fuck. Ah, damn it. That's annoying. That's annoying. fine, I guess. Anyway, I'll carry on fixing my chair. But no, just a guy, I'm glad you're doing okay. I'm really, really glad you're doing okay. And everyone else, I'm glad you're doing whatever you're doing. Whatever that may be doing. I don't even know what buttons I was trying to press, but do not know. Chat, just mute a bit, just a second. It happens. It happens to me. It happens to me. Where I will, like, if I try to pin a message, I'll be like, okay, I'm going to pin a message. And the second I press it, someone's put a chat. And for some reason, I've blocked someone or deleted someone's message. And it's very frustrating. Well, it's not frustrating. It's just like... we need one more word, by the way. There we go. Thank you. Oh, my... I'm grabbing some pillows. Get your mic on, but I'll take my mic on. I'm grabbing some pillows. Bye! Grabbing some pillows! Fuck this shit. Right. Oh, stretchy stretch. Right. Is that enough pillows? Oh my god. Oh, this is weird. Is this right? Hang on. Am I too high now? Oh, this does not feel good. Oh, this feels really weird. All right. Hi, I'm back. Are we good? I think we're good. I might be a bit too high because I'm now covering the Corsair bit. I'm not really sure. Are we good? I've got a higher ground now. I don't feel very safe. But I'm not dealing with my chair. Maybe I need one less pillow. Maybe one less pillow. Hang on. Get one. Right, how's that? That looks all right. Look, okay, how's that? That looks all right. I think. Are we good? I think we're good. Okay, we got a couple pillows. Okay, that's fine. We're good. Am I fake? Yes, I am. Just a guy. I'm AI. Hi, back. I'm bi. It's over, Anakin work. I have the high ground. Wait, there's a meme I want to show. Oh god, how am I going? Oh, this feels really weird. I'm higher up, but I'm not because obviously the chair's broken, so the armrests can't go any higher, so they're lower than normally are. That feels weird. Okay. I need to find a video. I need to find a video. Where did I see it? Okay, I will find that video at some point. Anyway, what about later? No, don't leave words. Thank you. Anyway, messages. It's weird. I'm a single parent household, so they want me to work. That's fine. But if I can't make this work this time next year, and the work I'm working isn't enough to work for them. Yeah, that's government for you, isn't it? It's government. I want to buy stuff, but I'm poor. I mean, no one put yourself in any situation that puts yourself in any financial harm. Also, level 20. Good work, everyone. Good fucking work. You lot is very sweet. I saw someone on the freeway the other day who had their car wrapped in Hatsune Miku. Oh, I love that. That's cool. I envy them. All right, okay. I think we're good. So we just need 2 pillows now for the time being, and just deal with the lack of armrests. Oh, it feels weird, but it's fine. It seems okay. I feel like we're a good spot. Picture! You got a picture! Fuck off. Give me, okay. Oh shit! Oh, that's cool. Yeah, they're cool. Yeah, you can tell they're cool because they got our arm hanging out outside the window. That's cool. I'll share that on the screen. But yeah, anyone else, let me know how you're doing. If you're doing good or not doing good, you can tell me. You can't tell me. Don't worry about it. If it's secrets, then don't tell me. It's fine. But I do hope I was doing well. Like I said, this is the second to last stream before I go with a TwitchCon. Today's TwitchCon, and then we got one happy. Today's not TwitchCon. Today's a stream before TwitchCon. We got a stream today and a stream on Wednesday, and then we're away for a few days. But yeah, and stuff that's happening in Discord. It's all happening. It's all happening. Check it out. It's great. It's some people will say it is poggers. Yes, you heard me. Poggers. Also, where did the link go for the words? Where did the link go? Oh, okay, we may not even need it. We may not even need it. I spotted the human equivalent of Kirby walking to a supermarket. I took a 10 myself. Aye! I can't even make the noise. Oh, we need what? 2 more words? Come on, 2 more words? Maybe 2 more words? Ah, unlucky. You know what? We've got time to do one more. We've got one more time on words, and then we'll do marbles. GG. Good work. Level 20. Good work. Yes, it's very much in fashion at the moment. Words. Poggers is very much in fashion. That's what I use it. Anyway, Z was top. 179 only. 6 away was Pingu in second. Third was Void. Fourth was Hun. Fifth was Midorial. Joint 6 was Just Going Chicken. 8th was Grumpy. Panda was 9th. Pimon was 10th. 11th. Joint with Audrey was Warwick. We'll go one more time. We'll go one more time. Yay. I got a word. Anyway, I do genuinely hope everyone is doing well today. But yeah, with my chair situation, I will probably speak to Corsair about it, because I was going to get a chair from them a few months ago, but like it was going to be like a wait a few months. Blimey! I always use blimey. What are you talking about? Blimey! No, actually, I don't really use that word often. But yeah, no, people don't use poggers anymore. I like saying it with irony, you know, because I'm that cool. I'm like, yeah, I just say it ironically, you know. I say it ironically, poggers. This feels weird with my chair. My armrests are too low. All right. But yeah, I'll speak to Corsair so you can get me a chair. Having been a first generation to learn about your own school, I would have it'd be a shame if I hadn't got it. Got it. Right, have you heard that? Yeah, I've seen they've renewed it. I still not watched the first season yet. I need to sit down and watch the whole thing, because I keep seeing pictures and videos. I'm like, oh my god, I want to watch it. And then they renewed it. I'm like, oh my god, I need to watch more of it. I'm like, and yeah, I'm very much aware. I'm just like, I need to go watch it. Anyway, good work, everyone. I haven't found enough people to buy, so I'm eating bitter cookies. I mean, that's good. Cookies are good. Vampire! Nope. Parallel! Nope. Acrylic! You really do need someone to discuss. You're welcome. I like that I suggested it, because I heard of it. And then you watch it, like, actually, it's actually very good. Like, I've heard, like, the first episode's like a movie, because it's, like, an hour and a half long. And it's, like, really, like, it's weird, but in a good way. And yeah, so I'm like, hey, watch this anime. It's like, all right, have you watched Warwick? Nope. Hey, welcome in, one. Welcome in. Good to have you here. Welcome in. How you doing? Approval. Did I say that word? Maybe. Oral. Oral. I'm a child. Don't know what I did that for. Anyway. Yeah, first one is a feature length, but they could not have done it any other way, I think. Yeah, I've heard it. There's a lot going on. They set up a lot. What I've heard. You sent some to Warwick. That doesn't answer what they are. Is it licorice? Is it more fucking licorice? Good. Glad to stream. Oh, I'm glad, Ron. I'm glad to have you here. But yeah, we're playing some words, and then we'll do some marbles shortly after this round of words. Whatever comes first. Chicken or the egg. Or drink some coffee. Anyone do anything tomorrow? Or today? To know what time it is? No, tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow still. Tomorrow. Anyone do anything tomorrow? For July 4th? Or not? Anakin... Obi-Wan fight meme? Video. Sorry, I'm looking for a meme. Found it. I think I found it. All right, that's fine. It's not the whole video, but I found it. I found the video that I wanted to show you guys. Right, yeah, cool. Found it. All right, I'll show you in a second. Anyway, Dick. Who's doing what? I'm not, because I'm not American. I mean, that's fair. I mean, I'm working tomorrow, so it's just a normal Tuesday. Bitter, I'm not going to say that word void, are good. I think you like them too. I don't know. What is that bitter cookie? Is that? Get all my stuff ready for graduation. Oh, wait, when's graduation? Is that tomorrow or is that just Wednesday? I got to start to make Pete's sweet tea sangria. Ooh, what is sangria? Like, what is sangria? Is it just alcohol? It's bitter cookie. Ah, I can read words. Me. Anyway. Do you have dick? Oh, there's no dick. Oh, it doesn't like dick. So it likes anal, but no dick. It doesn't like dick. All right. Even though it's there. Oh, it's one with fruit. Oh, I mean, you get your fruit. Easy. Lovely. It's good for you. Was there no dick? There was no dick. I hate when there's no dick, but it's fine, I guess. I don't know. You got a ding. We got dink or nice neck. Nice neck, Nick. Me too. That's what they all said, Pinger. That's what we all said. Anyway, here's a video that I wanted to show you. How loud is it? How loud is it? Don't be too loud, please. Don't be too loud. So I don't know how loud it is. Okay, that's fine. All right. Anyway. Okay, this is fun. So this is what I wanted to show you. This is what I saw on Twitter the other day. Whenever I get to see stuff on Twitter, which isn't often enough. Where is it? There we go. This just made me laugh. He just made me laugh because obviously it's that outtake with Ewan McGregor when he's like in the thing, he's like ah, la 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 la, and it just works because he's just like he's driving away. He's just driving away. He's like la la la, and he's just Anakin just burning to death, and everyone's like la 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 la, off I go. Just made me laugh very much. That's all. Anyway, words. But there we go. Don't play it again. Don't play it again. There we go. Yeah, the bit when he's like in the outtakes, like ah la la la. Yeah, they've basically put that over in the end battle. Me cruising through my life. I mean, I think you're doing pretty well there, Chan. I just discovered that my boyfriend knows about Bad Dragon and has orders Panda every time. I don't think it's going to allow it. Oh shit, it does. Okay, words. We're gonna have words. We're gonna have words. So you don't like dick. But you like sluts. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. Is it dick shaming? Oh, yeah. Actually, no, it's because maybe dick is just slang. But yeah, but it is in dictionary. Interesting. Or maybe slut is you know, like the word bitch. Have we had bitch? Because I know bitch is used for a female dog. So maybe slut is a word for something else. Maybe. Potentially. But I don't know if we've had bitch or not. Yeah. But I don't know if we've had bitch though. So I don't know if that is if that's true or not, if that makes sense. I'm trying to work out why there's some words that we have and some we don't. No, I've not seen B in there either. But yeah, dick isn't on there for origin. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe because it's a name. It didn't accept bitch. Okay. Now I can't work it out. It's like you could use slut can be used as attacking someone. You know, you slut. Don't know. Trying to work out. No ideas. Anyway, we did it. Great work. Good work. All very proud of you. Stuff! Hello, gamer. Welcome in. Right, keep going. No one got 69 yet. No one's got 69 yet, but everyone's doing great. Anyway, Audrey, welcome back. I made a mess in the kitchen, but master's good reward. It's very tasty. I mean, if you didn't make a mess in the kitchen, I'll be very surprised, Audrey, but well done. I hope it's nice. Excuse me. Chan, where's your message gone? I was reading messages. Was I reading messages? I was reading messages, but I now missed them. Oh, Martin, here we go. Thursday. It's on Thursday. I like to get ready early and need Wednesday to relax. I mean, that's fair. I'm stressing about TwitchCon because I'm like, it's on Thursday. And I'll be like, what do I wear? I now know what to wear. I now got my outfit sorted out for the TwitchCons and stuff. But I'm still stressing about it. I'm like, it's on Thursday. It's fine. Like all I'm doing is get a train down to London, get a flight, get to the airport, and I know Paris, so it's fine. Like the metro is fine. Also, anyone who is going to TwitchCon or is worried, don't be worried. It's fine. Like whatever happens. If it's going to get worse, then obviously I'll reconsider. But like I know some people are like, oh, well, all the public transport is being shut down early. No, it's not. That's misinformation. There are 4 different ways of transport in Paris. There is the tram, the overground tram, bus. There's a inter-train tram thing. I don't know what that is. I don't think anyone uses that. And there's the metro. The buses and the trams, which are all overground, they are running till 9 local time. They are finishing earlier. However, the metro is still running a usual weekday schedule, which is around midnight, 1 a.m. Hello, Jelly. So if anyone is going to TwitchCon and is worried about public transport, the metro is running. And every time I've ever gone to Paris, I've only ever used metro. Same with London. I only ever use the underground because it's quick, it's easy, you don't have to speak to anyone. So it's just you get a ticket, put it in the machine, done. You know. But yeah. So metro still runs like midnight, 1 a.m. and stuff because it's underground, so it's all fine. Stuff. It seems like things are calming down at the moment and stuff. So, but yeah, I can technically cancel my hotel by the end of tomorrow night. So if anything changes tonight and tomorrow, then obviously we'll make decisions. I believe Tour de France has started. Or did start. It's in France at the moment, I believe. Let's find out. Finished. Yeah, let's see. Checking the internets. Did it finish in France? Because I think it's in France today. So actually, Tour de France starts in Spain, because of course it does. Although, to be fair, I think it did go to UK or has done or something. But anyway. No, it doesn't look like it talks about anything about disruptions or anything else. So. No, cool. But yeah, but like I said, anyone who's worried, just if anyone is going, do what's right for you. Like, there's no wrong decisions and stuff with transport and keeping yourself safe. I've been a lot of times to Paris, so I know the area pretty well. So I feel comfortable enough to go, and everything else I feel safe doing it. But I also know that keep precautions and stuff and everything else, if that makes sense. If that makes sense to anyone, I don't know. But anyway, waffling. Hey, it's my brand! Ha ha! Anyway, catching up chat. Oh! Pingy, there we go. I just discovered that my boyfriend knows about Bad Dragon and has ordered plane. Orders plane there. I'm starting to question how straight he is. What's Bad Dragon? What's Bad Dragon? Also, one, you're 9 away from 69. Everyone else, not good enough. I mean, you're all in 100, so I guess you're fine, but whatever. So I catch up with chat. All words. And checking the game devs are Portuguese. Oh, that would make a lot of sense. Chicken. That makes a lot of sense. The game devs are Portuguese and don't know all the nuances of English as far as what is appropriate for the game or not. That would make a lot of sense. That would make a lot of sense. Make a lot of sense. I have a full suit for it, but also stressed that I may be overdressed. It's a graduation. Dress up. Like, how I see this, Martin, is when you might want to graduate again, like doing like another graduation, doing like another degree or masters or whatever, or anything that has a graduation. But like how I see it, because when I graduated, I got dressed up like suit and everything. So I was like, I may not do this again, you know. And it is just photography, but like, there's no harm in dressing up. If you want to dress up, dress up. You know, there's no harm in it at all. And again, like, it's your moment, it's your time. If you want to dress up, fucking do it, you know? Again, it's hard. It's easier said than done. Also, great work. You obliterated that. You lot, well done. 172! Ah, you know what? Still, you helped us towards that level. So, you know, honorary 69 to anyone who may want it. That's a weird fucking sentence, isn't it? Honorary 69 to anyone who wants it. I'm stressing because of all the stuff going on, Paris. I hope everyone's going to be okay. Oh, people, don't stress. Don't stress. It's fun. These things fun. These things happen. Like I said on Saturday stream, I 100% stand by the riots happening in France. I think it's wrong for France to say that there's no problem with the police, because there is. It's inherently racist. It's clearly deceived. But I'm not saying just France. A lot of police force are inherently racist. And it's just a shame that... It's not a shame. It's fucking terrible that even the UN have called out and said, yeah, Paris, you got an issue. You need to sort it out. And France went, no, we don't. It's like... Really? And then they came out and blamed video games. It's like... Right, okay. Cool. Okay. Thanks for making things better. Well done, France. Like, they could just gone, yeah, we have got a problem and we need to fix it. That's all people want. They just want the government to acknowledge that there is an inherent racist problem and they need to fix it, you know? The fact is that I believe I could be wrong, but I think last year it was like 13, 14 deaths on traffic stops, because there's a law in France where police can have guns, and they say for protection, but whatever. And I think like 10 or 11 of them was non-white. So it's like, and then what happened earlier. So I stand by the rights 100%. I don't stand by the people who are using that as an excuse to loot, because I think that's taking away the message of these riots and stuff. But yeah, you know, there is a problem. There's a problem in most countries with police force and stuff. But it's just, it's annoying when you see the governments go, no, we don't. Like, just acknowledge it. It's clearly there, and just say you're going to work on it, you know? Anyway, that's my political moment for today. Metro's a nightmare. I don't know how you do it. The Metro, hey, yeah, just you know what? I'll put my head down, headphones on, just go through it. Hello, Jelly. I'm going to be late because NBR brain mode. I mean, that's fair. Please, everyone, if you are going to TwitchCon, please take care. Exactly. Do what's right for you. Is it normal that the stream I'm watching, I'm always delayed by 6? Yes and no. It shouldn't be, but depending where you're watching from, it should be. Reset your stream, maybe. Sometimes it should be shouldn't be that bad sometimes, but it might be Twitch sometimes being a bugger. Anyway, good work, everyone. Z was top. Two away was Chicken in second place. And it's 6 away Pingu. Can I just say, Z, Chicken, Pingu, good work. 8 points separating you 3. Good work. Void was 4th for 115. One was 84 in 5th. P-Mon was 6th. Midori was 7th. Just was 8th. Hun was 9th. Panda was 10th. Gamer Saint was 11th. Audio was 12th. Warwick was not last in 13th. And 14th was Taco Shark. Good fucking work, everyone. Good work. Anyway, guess what time it is? In fact, do you know what time it is? What time is it? What time is it? It's not time for Pride. No, it is Pride. Just always Pride. What time is it? I don't see enough balls in stream. I need to see more balls. It's marbles time. You don't have to speak to anyone. There's enough reason for me to choose a certain type of transport. 100%. I think because I'm used to using the London Underground. I'm used to how that works. So I'm just used to like trams and stuff. I don't need to say anything else, do I? That's a good joke. That's a good joke. Just to go, well done. That's a good joke. I like that. I was like, for a second, I was like, why have you pinned that time for? That's not the time. I was like, oh, wait, no, that's your time. Oh, that's a good joke. That's I like that a lot. And you use your mod powers as well. Like, that's a big brain move. That's a big brain move. Anyway, Marbles is loading. My mouse is frozen. Is OBS frozen? No, OBS is good. Marbles just taking a moment. There we go. Hi. And boop. Nope. And come on. Come on. No, we're not showing. No, we're not showing. There we go. There we go. Oh, I forgot the text is in the way. Oh, I've got to move stuff. I have to move stuff. All right, give me a second. Ooh. Close. Oh, that. You know what? That'll do. Ah! Hello, Rainy!
Subs and balls woo.
Subs and balls woo indeed. Subs and balls woo indeed. Oh, what am I doing? What the fuck am I doing? Right, you're there. No, not that one there. There we go. Rainy, thank you for the 7 heckin' months. I really appreciate it. Okay, you can stick there. You can sit there. There we go. I know what I'm doing. It's fine. Anyway, welcome to Balls. Shopping time. Is that it? No, is that it? No, don't want that. Modifiers. Oh, hello. I like the idea of pixelated, but I'm not sure. What does it look like? A cat? I like the idea of it, but a wooden box. Actually, that's quite cute. That's actually quite cute. I like that. That's actually quite cute. I quite like that. That's actually quite nice. What effects? Oh, hello. Oh, is that it? Oh, okay. It's the moon! Wait, loud moon? All right. Okay, sorry, moon. Do apologize. What chose? Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute. Look at that little ghostly friend just hanging out with your ball. It's like your little support ball. Aww. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. That's cool. Wee woo wee woo wee. Oh, that's really cute for Easter and stuff. That's nice. What about this one? I like that one. I like that one a lot. That's awesome. Little skunk with. Really? I mean, I guess if you got a skunk hat, you would in theory that would happen. I mean, it's a bargain for like 100 coins. You get a hat and a trail. You know, does it have a trail in here? Oh, it's like little tiny eggs, I guess. What about the ghost? There's no real trail of ghost. What palm tree? Palm tree just does palm tree. Palm tree just palm trees. All right. Anyway, let me catch you on chat. I know it started in the Netherlands once. Oh, did it? I'm not worried about me going. I'm worried about you. Don't worry about me. Honestly, please don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. The news has been showing me some crazy shit. No, the news will do. But the news will. But the thing is as well, like, again, I've been many times before. Paris. I've been many times. I know streets and stuff. I can't speak this language for shit. I think it's an inherent thing, like a trauma that I got. Oh, I'm now into this main screen. Fuck it, we'll be here for a second. I think I realized why I can't learn the language is because every time I think of trying to speak French, I go back to the moment in school where I was just terrified trying to learn it, and I was put on the spot in front of all my classmates and stuff, all boys' school as well, and it was a terrible place. They all got bullied because I had ginger hand glasses. So I think I just associate anytime I get put on, like, trying to learn French in that moment, and it just like freeze because I cannot. I've tried, I just cannot learn it. I'm just the worst. But yeah, like, you know, I will be careful because I'm not an idiot. I'm not an idiot. But like TwitchCon is still happening because there's nothing. It's not happening around them, and things will change and they will adjust things as needed and stuff. You know, I've got a buddy out there as well, so I meet up and stuff if need be. I'm gonna got like a WhatsApp group going on and stuff. So, you know, these things happen. You know, these things are fun. You know, it's one of those things. I hate the tour, but that because my family always considered the tour too important. Skipping one day wasn't possible on birthday, so we couldn't go and stuff on the house because they missed a tour on TV. What tour? The tour? The tour of what, Audrey? Did I say something about a tour? Or am I missed a message? Sometimes I do miss a message, but also sometimes, yeah, did I say something? Did I say something about a tour? I don't think I did. I can't remember. Don't Google that. Don't Google bad dragon. All right, wait. Oh, sorry, I'm zooming in. Sorry, there we go. I have masters next year, but different universities, so would be different colours. See, there we go. But again, do what you need to do. Div's not explaining Bad Dragon to Warwick. All right. Bad Dragon is an adult shop that sells special shaped toys. Oh, it's that one. Is it? Oh, okay. Interesting. All right. Yeah, in France, the police are only allowed to shoot when they have confirmed the suspect is armed as well, or something like that. If they're doing a good job, everyone. Welcome back, Sam Buddy. My alerts are working again for some reason. No, it's not peanut butter jelly time, Grumpy. Stop. Shush. Also, rainy again. Thank you for 7 months. So I'm just catching with chat. This stream came around just in time. I've been reading horror stories about I can't fucking say that word. Referrals before my appointment tomorrow. Rainy, why? I need to stop worrying myself about potential nothing. Distraction time. Really, rain? Oh, rain. To be fair, I'll do the same thing. It's fine. Well, it's damn. Cat pressed the airplane button on my keyboard when she was licking the screen. That's impressive. I hope so. Getting tested for a bit of rare conditions, so there's going to be a lot of self-adversary needed, and I have to hope I'm miraculously awake enough to do it at 9 a.m. I'm sure it'll be fun. We don't have far. What did you miss? Not a lot. We'll just play some words. We can now do some mobs now. You sold on a skunk. I mean, it's 100 coins. You get a lot for your buck. Anyway, we are racing a Grand Prix. We're going. What time is it? 9:16. Let's do a 10 race. Let's do 10. So, as we always do, you know what we start with, and if you don't, sorry, I'm not even showing you the fucking screen. That's words. We'll get there in a minute. Hang on. We'll get there in a minute. Anyway, there we go. Vote for what track you would like. Exclamation point vote. So like votes. Like 60. You can only vote once, and then I will pick whatever ones are voted for. But we do have a rule. If a mod can pin this message for me, with the first track, only the first track, if everyone can put in exclamation point play 2 for the first track, and then after that we can do what we want. Just we have a tradition from the community that thank you B-Mum, where for the first track we have the doggy part, and then one's a doggy, and I will kick you out if you're not a doggy. Or maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just leave it because it's too much hassle trying to kick everyone out. But I will be upset. I won't be mad. I'll be disappointed. I do have French-related trauma. Void, is that what just generally, or does it help me? Oh, do you speak English? Important ones to remember. I can't even say that out. Again, I do appreciate everyone putting it in. Can you not put any French in chat? We'll keep it English just because otherwise people may see that and think, oh, we can speak other languages. English only in chat. Also, as I said before, generally, I'm not joking, it does trigger a reaction from me. And where people try to go, oh, what, you say this or try to read it, it does bring up that moment from when I talk about school. So I do appreciate everyone's kind words. I've got my phone. I can translate through there. It scans, it translates. It has a thing with Google where you can speak to it and it translates AI technology or whatever. So I've got all that. Again, it's fun. And also, you know, you can't know people, you can generally get away, do most things out there. All right. But anyway, I do appreciate it. But like I said, I don't want anyone stressing for me. I'm an adult. I will take care of myself. I've got precautions. I've got, like I said, WhatsApp groups of other people going. I've got a buddy system so people know where we're going, etc., etc. I know what's going on. I keep it updated with all the news and stuff. And again, I'm making the decision of wanting to go. And that's my decision. Does that make sense? Again, if people don't want to go or whatever reason, that is completely valid. Just make sure that you are aware what's going on because you don't want to be like, oh, it's, you know, nothing's happening. It is happening, but you have to respect it because otherwise it won't respect you, you know? See, I now have a new skin for the water park. Zamboni. You have to be a doggy for a water park. I do it because to be sensible is not my strong point. I mean, who is? I think that command might need a bit of tweaking. That should be space play 2. What do you mean? Where? Which one? Which one, Rainy? Which one? There is a space. Bye. Enjoy your sleep. Much love. Much love. Much love. What command? What, the doggy command? It looks like it's... Wait, which one? Sorry, wait, hang on. Which command? Oh! Interesting. Why is that not space for, but the other one is? Oh, it isn't. Oh, interesting. Oh. Does it not work? I thought it works that way anyway. I can space it. But I'm sure it works that way anyway. Anyway, we're worrying about too many things. Like I said, let's move on. Anyway, I'll catch you on chat in a second. Let's get this started. Right, there's a giveaway happening. So the first track, exclamation play 2. I think the space doesn't matter. I don't think the space matters. I think you can just put the number next to play. So I don't think it matters. Okay, let's not keep pinning this different messages. Let's just leave it. Let's just leave that message. It's fine. Let's just do. Again, I don't think it matters. I do not think the space matters. Maybe it does, but I don't think it works. I don't think it. If it's meant to be, then just do. It's fine. It's fine. Let's just do the doggy. We're worrying about too much stuff. Just do the fucking doggy. Play 2 when we start. Anyway, there's a gift card giveaway happening, as we know. Oh dear. Right, there we go. Yeah, giveaway. Anyway, let's just pick. Let's just fucking move on from this. I'm just picking which ones you picked. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and then Temple Steve. There we go. Done. All right. So I'm pretty sure you can just put play 2. I'm pretty sure you can just put play 2. If I'm wrong, then you have to... Because it doesn't say anywhere you need a space. I could be wrong. Yeah, the space doesn't matter. You don't need the space. If you want a space, you can, but yeah, that's what I thought. So yeah, don't worry about it. Anyway, get your balls in! Giveaway time! We're going to start a race 2 minutes because I want to move on from this. Get your balls in! Oh, wrong button, wrong one. There we go. Right, get your balls in! Right, anyway. My French teacher was horrible to the point where I felt unsafe. Well, things are delayed. To be in class, trying to learn language now keeps me bring that back. So yeah, unfortunately, I have actual French lecturer. I'm exactly the same. Exactly the same. Every time there's always a moment. I spoke about it on stream before. There's a moment that I was put in front of the class to try to speak, it was being graded, and speak in front of everyone, and I wasn't prepared, and I felt like a right idiot, and I just felt very pressured. So every time I ever try to learn any other language, I go back to that moment and just freeze up, which is also similar whenever people try to help me with words. So I do struggle with words. I can't read them properly, and my brain says things that it doesn't make sense, but it comes back with that trauma. So I do appreciate everyone who does support me in that, but that's the reason why I get a bit flustered if people try to say, oh, you say it like this, so when you put other words that isn't English, sometimes I will just go past that because I won't even attempt to read it, and hopefully everyone will respect that, because I think most of you do. But yes, but anyway, like I said, get your balls in. We are doggies. I'm not going to go and check everyone because I haven't got the energy at the moment. So just get in if you want to play. There's a gift card giveaway happening as well. So everyone who's here for the giveaway, now you can enter the fucking giveaway. Although it's 10 races. So, if you want to wait for that long, you can. But basically, whoever wins this gift card, if whoever wins this Grand Prix wins the gift card. So let's get some hype in chat. Let's get some balls in chat. Let's fucking go. We've got 10 seconds left. We're going to follow Warwick because it's easier. There we go. Cool. Sweet. Excellent. My chat started to freeze. There we go. I had to lap doggy to watch the doggy pool time. I've been squished. Right, here we go. Let's get some balls and hype. The space doesn't matter. You can also add text after two. Yeah, exactly. You can literally do anything. So it's fine. So either way is fine. That's what I thought. But yeah, Rainy, hope everything goes well for tomorrow. I'm sure it will do. I just do the space out habit. Oh, no, space is fine. Space is fine. But it doesn't matter. Like, either way, it doesn't matter which way you do it. Don't dip your balls in. Where are you dipping your balls in? Also, where are we going? We're getting a nice little wash from the... Okay. That's new. All right, cool. Anyway, I don't know where that went, but all right, we're going this way, apparently. I don't know. No idea where this went. I hate when they do that. I panic and freeze. I think it's pointless when teachers do that. It is horrible. There's no thing for it. It's like, it's just like, there's no reason for it. It's just because I think they're just like causing, like, I don't know, like having the power against. Oh, where am I going? Faithful's our winner of this track. Well done. Audrey is second. Warwick's fine. Warwick's going to be fine. Who's not going to be fine? Okay, everyone seems to be okay. Gallon and P-Mum, you're risking it a little bit, P-Mum. Come on, there we go. You're fine. All right. Okay, I think everyone's fine. Oh, I finished 5th. Gallon, you taking your time. Gallon, come on, Gallon. Come on, Gallon. There we go. There we go. Good. Okay. I think we're good. I think we're all good. I think you're the last one, Gallon. I think you're the last one. I think we're good. Oh, you got to stop. Oh, my God. Did you just stop? Are you kidding me? You just hit that and... Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, no. Oh, no. You hit that. You hit the little floater and it stopped you. And you are now very, very slowly get to the line. Oh. Wow. Wow. Damn. Anyway, Faithful's our winner. And you're just off the record as well. You're just off, like points. Oh, like what? 0.014 seconds off. Audrey was second. Wide was third. Void was 4th. Warwick was 5th. Martin was 6th. Rainy was 7th. Hingy was 8th. Z was 9th. And top 10 was Luna. Sal. And Gallon did not finish. That was impressive. That was impressive. I'm very impressed. Anyway, whatever track you want to fucking do, race, whatever, go do your balls. Unpin that message. Get your balls in. If you're subscribed, all 9 are available to you. If you're not subscribed, the ones on the left are available to you. There's some D20 fun malarkey going on. Also, this is Emu of the Gates. This is, I don't know which one this is, but this looks fun. There's a lot of gates. I have no idea. Anyway, get your balls in. And while we do that, I will play an ad. While we get balls in, I will play an ad. Because I get paid fuck all, but I might as well just play them while we're not waiting for much. So play. There we go. Wouldn't it supposed to play? Can you play ads? Come on, Mars. Please play. Make it ads. There we go. Right. There we go. All right. Get your balls in. Get the balls in. We'll start the race. You've got 2 minutes to get your balls in. 2 minutes. But Galen, welcome in. How you doing, my friend? Hope you're doing well, my friend. Hope you are doing well. Well, Warwick, the great maker couldn't make you smart, sexy, and good words. It just wouldn't be fair on anyone else. I mean, that's fair. That's fair. I'm not good. And I again, like I think I've learned it from streaming is learning that, yeah, childhood trauma does exist and it can fuck you up. It really can, you know? And yeah, so, but it's fine. Warwick, are you a advanced dog? I am a advanced dog. I am. Sorry, joined with the wrong ball due to time pressure. Galen, you're fine. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. You're all good. That's why you lost. That's why you lost. That's why. Because you see, chat. You see that? You see that? Galen wasn't a dog, and guess what happened? They didn't get to finish the race. They got stopped just before the finish line. So you know, just saying. Yeah. Think about it. But Faithful, welcome in as well, my friend. Hope you're doing all right. If obviously, I know you can't hear me because ads are playing, but you're not missing anything. But just countdown. I didn't know that could happen until today. Giant Larson, no wonder. Just goes like, I mean, that punishment was a bit harsh there, Warwick. Catch up. Han, enjoy your luck. I love the swoopy maps. I do like the swoopy maps as well. I think they're fun. I'm doing the embroidery insanity. What's that, Galen? I don't know. What is that?
Boo.
You can't boo. You can't just boo. Kim, why don't you got in? You can't just boo. Wait. Where's P-Mom? Hang on. Where's P-Mom? Did you get in? Hang on. Pause. Hang on. Wait, where's P-Mom? Where are you? Oi. This is how I say thanks. This is how I say thanks. I can't get you. Oh, you're in the wall. You're in the wall. I can't grab you when you're in the wall. Oh, bye, bye, Panda. Panda just went. All right. Where are you? There we go. I mean, thank you, people. Thank you for the bits for the tip. Appreciate it. What is going on this track? Oh, you can get squashed. Who voted for this track? So that's what happens. So you can get squashed. Oh, this is a terrible map. Anyway, who's first? Pingu. Good luck, Pingu. Oh no! I'm cursing everyone today. Oh no! You made it. I'll check it later, Gad. I haven't got time now, but I'll check it later. Oh, just a guy. Good luck. I didn't mean to. I just wondering who was first. Just the guy's like, this is fine. 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 This is brutal. This map is. Oh. What? Hang on. So wait, are you telling me? Wait, are you telling me if you're actually first? Well, just go. You won. Well done. Great. See, I'm not cursed. Just the guy won. You just have to be a mod, you know. And I finished third. If I win this gift card, I swear to God. All right. Anyway, so This is called enemy at the gate, so we'll remember that. We won't, but anyway. So, if you're first when before the gate opens, you're actually gonna lose. So you actually want to be. No, being a god mod is not the guarantee. Actually, no. P-Mom got squashed. Wow. Anyway, Jessica was a winner. C was second. Warwick was third. Kim was fourth. Majora was fifth. Grumpy was sixth. Wafflewick as well. Of course, it's Wafflewick. Was seventh. Linda was eighth, and Zambani was ninth. This is my first win as a mod, and not my first boss as a mod. Just like, shush. Yeah. So, fuck. I mean, that's probably a good sound to have for this moment. Anyway, Cosmic Chaos. I'm sure this will be fun. Good luck, everyone. Yep. Oh, no, this one's fine. This one's okay. I think this one's fun. Yeah, this one's fun. Hey, everyone. Wait. Where's UK? Is that real? That doesn't look right. Anyway, it's fun. Anyway. You're nuts. Whose emote is that, chicken? Is that you're nuts? Okay. And, what? What? Huh? The what map? The what map? The what map? We have not had this conversation before. Oh, the anus map. You say it as though we've had this conversation before. Sure, this will be fun. Famous last words. It's fun for me, Drag. Because I can't win, so I'm fine. Panda. I think it's you have beef with Automod. You have beef with Automod, all right? Also, stop saying these words. Look at the butthole. No! It's an indented belly button. It's a belly button. P-Mom, you're not helping. It's a belly button. You terrible people. Guess you'll wait to see my new doggy skin. Zamboni, where's your skin? Where's your skin? Are you even in, Zamboni? Or you proving a point that I didn't look at it, so you're not going back in the game? I see. Oh my god, I'm so fucking slow. Hang on, can I grab you from here? I can. That's not a doggy. Unless the doggy's on fire. Zamboni? Is this your doggy? Is this your doggy? Is this... I don't want to ask any more questions about this doggy. Anyway, get your balls in, Ivan. Giveaway happening. The magic word. Also, P-Mom, thank you for the 666 bits. Tip, I appreciate it. Did it update? It did update. It even updated the little thing at the bottom. It updated it. I love brutal maps. See, channels the chaos. Now, I'm sure you did it on purpose. I mean, Pingu, don't call me out on my stream, all right? Somehow you always make me allow stuff. Yeah, it just seems to be Panda. Just seems to be Panda. Just no, not belly butt on. No butt on. It's not the water butt. I mean, fine. Fine. Single atom of a doggy. Single atom. A doggy that needs to be checked out by the vet. Please, that's the magic word, right? Is that how you get marbles to be nice? Sure, try it out. Anyway, you got 10 seconds left to get your balls in. 10 seconds. In fact, Zamboni, for this pleasure, we're going to focus on you. The pulsating ball is going to... Oh my god, this... Chat, are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? You've corrupted P-Mom. This is all you're doing. Wow, you're already out of the ball. Oh no. Okay. He's so happy. Very. Wow. All right. See how it is. All right. Now let's circle the rim of the butthole. I hate myself. I hate myself. Let's not rim the... It's fine. Anyway, it's fine. Don't clip me. See me on fucking Reddit clip files. Oh, the The profile picture is very cute. Well, profile picture is very cute. I didn't even know Automod even knew that word. Didn't know Automod even knew that word. Not Rimworld. Oh, Warwick and Chan are gone. Fucking hell, what would that happen? When I'm wide. Sorry, I need to change things. Hang on. Sorry, you can't see it, but the Twitch chat, the Corsair. No, wrong button. Wrong button. There we go. There we go. There we go. Gannon's out! What was that about? No, we're not talking about Rimworld. That's fine. That's Rimworld's Terry Pratchett, isn't it? It's Rimworld Terry Pratchett, or am I getting mixed up with Rims again? I feel like there are not the lessons we should be teaching in Automod. No. What? Right. Who's still in? Zambo's still in. Zambo's still in. That's Discworld. What's Rimworld? Oh, wait, no. Rimworld's a thing, isn't it? Rimworld's a thing? Why not clip when prime clip shaped? I mean, that's fair. It's a game. That's it. I can remember it was a book or a game. Rimworld is a game. That's right. There we go. Yeah, I thought it was. The point and click, isn't it? Right. Zamboni's still in. All but one is our winner. Linda is second. Martin is third. Layli Luli, I hope that's your name, is fourth. I just went with it. Audrey is fifth. Rainy is sixth. Lunacell was seventh. Hum was eighth. Grumpy is ninth. Top 10. Macon is Growlith the Spectral. That's your full name. Growlith the Spectral. You found a D20 Rubik's Cube on UK Amazon. Really? Ooh, very nice. Ooh. Wait, hang on. I did search it. It's fine if you type it next to each other, but don't just search Rim. No, don't just search Rim. Don't just search Rim. I mean, you can, but that's on your search. Anyway, what is our winner? Who didn't win? Hey, I'm 23rd. Gallon, Wide, Chan, and Wafflewick. I'm sorry to say Lally. I will say Lally. Sorry, I went with it. I was like, this is all wrong. Lally, welcome in. Multi-lane madness. What the fuck is this one? I have no idea. I'm going to search it. I know you would. Anyway, you know what? No, we're not even going to look. We're not even going to look. Master, thank you. Appreciate all the emotes. Anyway, get your balls in. Oh, sorry, game is taking a while to load. I don't know why. Game, are you good? Game, are you good? We good, game? Okay, I think game's good. I think game's good. I think game is good. Okay, that's fine. Cool. I think we're good. Okay, game. All right, there we go. Anyway, get your balls in! Am I in? I am. Get 2 minutes, the balls in. There's a gift card giveaway. All the people who want to give aways at the beginning, now your chance. And if you're not here, you're missing out. If you didn't wait for 2 hours or 3 hours, then it's tough luck. Ha 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 ha. Or not, I don't know. You're not going to check if our balls are going to be given another room job. Fang, that's not, I do not want that as a sentence. Wait, why was the term balls auto-modded for? It must be the sentence. It must be the sentence which was used in. It must be the sentence. Because there's no ways balls would be, or just the word balls would be auto-modded. It must have been a sentence that you used it in, because again, I will quote this Fanged. You're not going to check if our balls are going to be given another rim job. I think it was probably the sentence with the word balls rather than the actual just word. You can do as me and hope for 0 points just for the meme of it. I mean, that is fair. Look, it's impressive getting 0 points doing all races. I'm going to say it's going to be the context rather than just a word. But yeah, can we just tone down the lewdness in chat? Just a little bit, all right? Thank you. Know what's wrong with that sentence, and please don't do that again. Not going to argue if balls actually need tire surface. See, that's the jokes I can get. That's the jokes I can get. But yeah, let's move past from rim jobs. I appreciate it. Thank you. What? Okay, so people. All right. It's a fun side effect of grinding marbles. You get gifted subs randomly and wind up with weird emotes. Is that 4 marbles? Is that cow 1 4 marbles? Anyway, Fang, give me a number between 1 and 10. Fang, give me a number between 1 and 10. Between 1 and 10, Fanged. No rush. Might choose for you. Because we're not seeing any of the race. 6 it is then. Thank you, B-Mum. 1 is number 6. 5. Audrey. Rachel, welcome in. You're too late. Next track, you'll be in it. I don't like that I can't see. I do not know. That's really cool. Cool art. Good work. Just a guy. I just saw your meme. Great work. Great fucking work. Gadden, you said you shared it in Discord. Where? Where did you set it in Discord? I didn't see it. So I'm win Audrey. Good luck, Audrey. Could be looking wrong. I'm pretty sure Gannon said they shared something in Discord, but I can't see it. But anyway, fuck, I won. Fuck. Thank you. Well, I won. I mean, Warwick won. Did I? Wait, when did you share it then? Did you share it recently or just now? When did you share it? Because you made it sound like you shared it just now. I'm very confused right now. There's a few things confusing me at the moment. Yeah, Panda's a record. It's probably a special talent most dogs just have. My parent dog always does that. Sorry, drag. Oh my god, with balls, how do my dogs always manage to place his tennis balls in nettle? Like, ow. Oh, got you, Gannon. Got you. Yeah. Sorry. I thought you meant recently. Thought you meant again. Got you. So anyway, I won. Z was second, Martin was third, Audrey was fourth, Jenny was fifth, Fang was sixth, Chicken was seventh, Nikki was eighth, Night was Panda, and 10th was Midoriel. Rainy, welcome back. And who didn't finish? A lot of people. Next race! Get your balls in! When the race starts! Getting you in! When it just has to load. Take your time. There we go! Get your balls in! Panda, I think you were a bit too early there. Try again. I think you were a bit too early. Panda, try again. I think you were a bit too early. It got you now. Right, start engines. 2 minutes to get your balls in. 2 minutes. This is a gift card giveaway. Welcome in, Doodle. Good to have you back. Welcome in. Yeah, get your balls in. This gift card giveaway. There are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's six races left. You are all to play for. If you can win like a couple of races and you can win the whole thing. It's honestly that simple. And it's free. And there's a gift card giveaway happening at the end of the stream. Whoever wins. And I will catch up with everyone else who I may miss the last few weeks. But I know Z's won. And also someone else won. I need to sort that out. And I will do eventually. Anyway, you got a minute and a half to get your balls in. If you don't, then I'll be very, very sad that I did not see. I'm not going to finish that sentence. I'm not going to finish that sentence. Don't finish for me. Oh, Galen, love that. Like, it's coming along. It's really coming along from before as well. That's really coming along, Galen. Good work. Good hecking work. Now there's an update. Awesome. Good work. It's coming along really well. How are you feeling with it? Are you happy with it so far? Are you Are you seeing the the updates for it and stuff? Fang, don't finish my sentence for me. Just a guy, much love, my friend. Appreciate you very much. Did you get your balls in? Yeah, you got it. We will follow your ball. We will follow your ball. In honor of you. You're like, oh, geez. Thanks. These are just tiny balls with holes. I mean, they are balls. They are balls. They are definitely balls. But no, it's coming along really well. Anyway, we're going to follow Just a Guy's ball while I sleep. That's a sentence. Anyway, please do get those balls in. If you don't, you'd be satisfied. You should. You should. It's coming along really well. Right. This is it. Get your balls in. Shark Dive is our winner. Not winner. Overall race leader of this track. But let's see where Just a Guy goes. Oh, get hiccups. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm Brian. What? You talking about? Thanks. Anyway, so far, Just a Guy is still alive, which is all you can ask for sometimes. Oh, up we go. Oh, okay, double, all right. Oh, no, what? Yes. In fact, yes. Oh, the Pokemon. I don't know fucking Pokemon. I have no idea. Oh, have you guys seen... No, Nemona yet. I've had a chance to watch the first 10 minutes, but those 10 minutes are incredible, and I'm absolutely watching the rest of it. I've had very, very good things about it. Yeah, it's on my list among other things. Got so much I need to watch. You know way too many Pokemon. I know the first 151 and Ducklet. We love it here. Ah, do you? All right. Pokemon are cute. That's a lot of my knowledge. I mean, that's fair. That's a lot to remember. I just don't remember anything. You watched it 3 times already? Oh, that's sweet. I've had very good things about it. Oh, Just a Guy still in. Just a Guy still in. Am I gonna... Oh, okay, I thought it was the front. Oh, Just a Guy is still in. Good. There's no boost. I love the comics. I'm very excited to watch the movie. Oh, was there a comic before? That's cool. Oh, you're living dangerously there, Just a Guy. Okay, all right. Right, Hunt was our winner. Drake was second. Wafflewick was third. Pig was fourth. Rainy making fifth. Chicken is sixth. Just a Guy, a very respectable seventh. Grumpy is eighth. Doodle was ninth. And top 10 in 10th is Nikki the Rabbit. And there we go. Yeah, Andy Stevenson started as a webcomic. Then Oh, I love that. Heck yeah. Oh, I love that. Oh, sorry. Whoa, camera malfunction. Oh, guys, you are so far behind. Oh, well, no, Martin's catching up. Martin, are you good? Martin, stay on the track. Audrey, I think Audrey's trying. Oh, Audrey, are you good? Audrey, we out? We out? Audrey's out, all right. Martin, I think you're good. Okay, you're good. Right, Audrey. Come on, Audrey, we got this. Oh, okay, you're fine. You're safe. Good work. Always so cool to see queer media go from self-published grassroots stuff to a full series movie, other big stuff as well. Oh, is it all through that? Oh, I love that. Right, how was that winner? And everyone else was afterwards. Next track. Worst commentary ever. This person was first, and everyone else sucks. Imagine listening to this like F1. Rachel, we're going tonight. No worries. Appreciate you being here. Right, next track. Heh, that moment I forgot I'm wearing sparkling makeup and rub my eyes. I'm going to go take my makeup off and then probably go to sleep because I'm tired. Right, that's fair. Go do that. Right, going to start the race. I'm getting pretty tired as well, actually, to be fair. So get the balls in if you haven't already. This is a gift card giveaway. If you don't, then I'll be very disappointed. I said disappointed. I'm like, I don't really get, like, you can do what you want. Like, you can do what you want. Like, you know, like, again, I won't be mad. You know, I would be disappointed. But, you know, again, you know, whatever. Oh, stretch. Oh, stretch. Right. Oh, I'm now yawning. My goodness. I'm getting tired now. Right, got a minute and 10 seconds left to go. You're not my dad. Hello, Meatley. Good to have you here. You're not my dad. I love that one. Not my dad. Like, all right. All right. You got a minute left. What are you sticking your tongue out for, Pingu? Anyway, are you petting my nuts? Don't answer that question. Don't answer that question. I should have asked that. Give me your balls. Oh my God, is that the quote? Wafflewick. Really? Really? Is that the quote? I mean, should I be surprised? Not really. It's just like, well, how does it know what quotes to have? It doesn't. It just, there's so many about balls that it's just process of elimination. It's just, it's simple as it's whatever the rule is. Just, I mean, that's not even about balls, but it's still, I'm a menace. There's a cooldown. You might try again, Panda. Oh, there we go. Fang beat you to it. So if you get a lot of followers from there, does that mean you have good hovercraft? Oh God, it was hover. God, remember when hover was a thing? Remember when hover was a thing? Right, Fanged, give me a number to 1 and 10, please. Nikki, too late, but unlucky. Number, no, that's your follower age. Fanged, thank you. Linda, good luck. 75% of the quotes are about balls. For legal reasons, I have to add that I don't have actual statistics. I think you're probably spot on, Bingu. I'm maybe 74%, but I would say a good portion of them are about balls. Wow! Thanks for the faith in me, guys. No, that's wrong. I didn't mean to just put quotes. I meant to put fucking quote. I live in your nuts email because it's one of those ones you can use instead of plain play. Oh, I like that. Never mind, I'm Evie Winters, I'm the fish killer. All right, that's not about balls, but maybe the fish balls. All right, now about bums. All right, that's... Well, what, we're following Wafflewick now. Oh, bye Doodle, you're off. Okay, bye Doodle. Is there a list of the quotes? There is. So you put quotes list or quote list or quotes list. One of those words. Estimation mark quote list or quote lists. Quote list or lists. I don't know. It's quote lists. Or just list. I don't know. One of those commands should do it. Try it out. Try a command. There we go. There we go. Quote list. It was right. There we go. It should work. If not, let me know, but it should work. Anyway, Grumpy was our winner. I was 5th. Fuck, I might win this gift card. Han was 2nd. Martin was 3rd. Pinker was 4th. Warwick was... What the fuck just happened there? Who just went into the air? Fagged! Fagged! I'm not mad. Anyway, I'm not sad about that. That's fine. Anyway, yeah, I can use those. Oh, that's cool. Now, why is that? Is that because they're the... How was that noise? Is that you, Zamboni? Quantifying the quotes about balls. Are you? You see how many times balls is mentioned? Wait, what happened? I missed it. You got launched into the air. It was very funny. Anyway, Grumpy was our winner. Oh, no space. Esmeralda went quite all one bit. Han was 2nd. Martin was 3rd. Pinker was 4th. Warwick was 5th. I don't want to look at that quote. I do not want to look at that quote. Midori was 6th. Laylee, was it? Oh God, was it Laylee? Sorry, hang on. I'm terrible with names. Was it Lally? Oh, I just forgot. Already. I'm a twat. I will figure out. Was 7th. Luna was 8th. Chicken was 9th. Pimon was 10th. Waffle was 11th. Meatley was 12th. Gallon was 13th. And Zamboni making 14th. Next race! It's the one we all love. This is our favourite one. Just say whatever, appreciate it. No, I will write it down. I'll write it down. It was Lally, thank you. I'll write it down. I'm a terrible person. It's the one we all love. Still the one we all love. There we go. I've updated it, so now it's written down. There we go. This is the one we all love. We love this track, don't we, chat? Don't we? We all love this track, don't we? We all love this, don't we? Get your balls in. Start your races. Start your balls. Make sure you put in. So, okay, the total 650. Yeah, we know. Yep. Yep. And how many are balls? Right, so this particular race, you have to put pit. You don't have to. You don't have to pit, but I would advise it. And if you want to pit as soon as possible, as in putting it into chat. So once the race starts and you want to pit on that lap, put it into chat. Or not. Maybe just pit twice, or maybe just once. Who knows? Anyway, we'll start the race. In fact, we started. We've got a minute to go. Get your balls in. Pay less than 100 quotes for about balls. Really? Really? That seems... Maybe ball, maybe when we're talking... interesting. I'm sure it's more than that. Maybe. 95 over 600. Really? Huh. Maybe Wafflewick just likes balls a lot. What, these ones? Yeah. But how do you get one of those? Like, how would someone like me get balls in there? Or would I have to play marbles all the fucking time? How do we skip this map yet earn points? You blame whoever voted for this one. I did look up bowl and I was in shock. Really? Interesting. Sure there was more. But hey, maybe not. Maybe I'm not just one dimension with balls all the time. Anyway, you got less than 10 seconds. In fact, you got no time left by the time you hear this. So good luck, everyone. Remember, if you want to pit, make sure it starts. Just run about 40, 50,000 for races in a month. No sweat. Is that all right? Good to know. No pressure. Anyway, let's start where we started. Let's go. Let's see who's not going to pit, who's going to be strategic and see. No, I'm not going to pit. I'm not going to pit because I can't be bothered. There are 5 would not. I wonder how many years for a body part. Right, so far, neck and neck between Hun, Fanged, and Jelly. But Pingu, Chan, everyone's all catching up, all closing in. This bit coming up with the pit will determine what happens. 13 with arse. Alright, so body parts are is catching up. Alright, that's good to know. Wow, it's 10 PM already. Jeez. Right. Oh, where am I? Sorry, Jelly, we're following you, apparently. Sorry, I didn't mean to follow you. The map's too slow. Right. Right, who's pitted? Jelly's not pitted. Interesting. Nor's one, but okay, a few people pitted. All right. Z, good work there. Good work. Oh, no, Zambani and P-Mum, you missed the entrance. Right. So Jelly at the moment is our race leader. Jelly's our race leader. Oh, map, are you good? There we go. Thank you. Right. Sometimes what happens is 2 sausages. Interesting. Sometimes what happens is you hit a ball and you lose momentum and then you get stuck. So sometimes that happens. Right. So Jelly at the moment is first. However, they are on orange. And if you ever look, wow. Well, there we go. Wow. That's a lot of pit. That's a lot. Oh, God. Oh, Jelly's strike. Oh, Jelly's in red already. Wow. Damn. I thought you'd be at least in orange for a little bit longer, but apparently not. Jeez. They see me rolling. They're hating. Damn. I mean, I can't say much because I'm pretty sure Warwick's further behind. Yeah, everyone else. Like, to be fair, Jelly, out of all the reds, you're probably doing the best. Anyway, who's first at the moment? Hun's first at the moment. Now we'll Hun pit. We'll Hun pit. Let's find out. So can I just say how cool the D20s look? Look how cool the D20s look. Look how cool that looks. Anyway. Right, did Hun... Right, did we pit? Hun pitted. Slowing down. Did he make it? Oh, good pit. Good pit. Good pit. That was a good pit. That was a good pit. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, Hun, we're now following you now. I'm sorry, but we're now following you. Oh. Linda, did you not pit? Interesting. Oh, what? Oh, my God. What? I was like, get out of my way, you. Zoom coming for you, booty. Pit, not piss. Don't piss on the track. Don't piss on the track. That's not a good idea. Actually, can we look at Linda's as well? Look, Linda's at 8 ball. Is anyone Oh, look at the crescent moon one. Look how cool that looks. The D20. Look how cool that looks with the moon. Isn't that cool? Anyway, this is the last track, by the way, guys. Where's... Oh, God. What the hell? Oh, slow down, sorry. This is the last track, so you can't pit again. Oh, you missed it, Linda. It's all right. It's all right. It's the crescent moon. It's number... I think it's number 5 with the D20. I actually want a D20 like that. Also, sometimes Hunt just freezes. Interesting. But you know, no, Linda, sorry, no, Majoral's the crescent moon. You're the 8 ball, Linda. Forgot. Very cool, but could do with a flash warning. For what? For what? For what? Flash warning? For what? As usual, I lost count and just tried to pit anyway. I mean, that's fair. That's what you can do. All right. Oh. Han is our winner. Oh, close-ups. Oh, sorry, I didn't realize do that. Sorry. Anyway, Han is our winner. Oh, well, what to know. Anyway, Han was our winner. Linda was 2nd. Rennie was 3rd. Majora was 4th. Pink was 5th. Spectre was 6th. Fang was 7th. Martin was 8th. Panda was 9th. Top 10 was Chan. Right, wide. Very respectable. Considering you're red. Nice work. There's everyone. Good work. I see who's last. Good work, hon. Good fucking work. Jelly, you're not last. Jelly, you're not last. Guess who's last? One who's last. Oh, Warwick. I just made it. Good work. Anyway, hard one on you. I went over that track. Good work. 4 minutes, 48 seconds. Jesus Christ. Right, Lindy was 2nd. Rennie was 3rd. Majora was 4th. Ping was 5th. Spectre was 6th. Fang was 7th. Martin was 8th. Panda was 9th. And Chan making top 10. And Wafflewick was 27th. Next track. Let's go. You got a few more tracks left before we win. Orgy, it's all good. It's all good. I need to one day sit down and play around because I really want to do those lap tracks, but make them longer. You know, it is very pretty, aren't they? The balls are very pretty. The ball that Han had is number 8. And the one that Majoria had is number 5. Where's the spoopy music? Is there no spoopy music? Or do I have to go to settings? Oh, yeah. There we go. Spoopy music. Where's my mouse gone? There we go. Get your balls in. Actually, let's look at some of the balls, actually. So one is a B, a big old B. Oh, there is Rainy, the D20. Look at that. That is number 9. This is number 9. If you want to be number 9, you have to be subscribed for it, though, this one. But it's like a little storm going on in there. We got... That's cool, isn't it? I like your ball. Oh, I like that. That's Zamboni. That's good. I like that. I like the little unicorn with it as well. That's very cute. Zamboni, I approve. Ooh, that's fun. A little ducky on a diamond. Oh, there's Pingu with the crescent moon. Look how cool that looks. Ready? Wait. Yours is random, was it? Oh yeah, you can just play, and because you're subscribed, you will get one of the 9. So if you just put if you're subscribed, and you just put that, unless you've got your own ball, you will get one of these random ones here. If you're not subscribed and you don't have your own ball, you get 1 to 4. But anyone subscribed, you get up 1 to 9.
Here we have the wild balls about to risk their lives getting chased down by spooky ghosts.
You have to ruin it. There's Medieval Martin. There we go. Ooh. Oh, me. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's a fun ball. Anyway, few seconds I'll get your balls in. Pingu? Exactly. I would literally actually love to have a D20 like that. Like with that, like sheen and stuff on it. Oh, sorry, my arses. Oh, these pillows not giving me butt support. Anyway, give me a number. Nah, you know what? For this track, we will follow Warwick. We'll follow Warwick, who's an onion and a cat. There you go. Good luck, Warwick. Right, just remember, if you get got by the ghost, you are gone forever. 7. No, don't ask for a number. So there's little ghost, the purple. Oh, who got grabbed? No one got grabbed so far. Who's getting grabbed? Oh. So far, so good. No one's been grabbed yet. Apologize for your part. I mean, it's asleep at the moment. Something about want a civic looking D20. Chan, yes. Oh, no! One got grabbed! No! Audrey got grabbed and wait, I thought one got grabbed. And Audrey and one. Everyone got grabbed. Anyway, wait, I've lost me. Where's me? Can I grab me? Oh, got me! Hey, nice shot work. There we go. No die. Good command. But no, I really like the ghost D20. Reminds me of is it? Oh God, what's the character from Sailor Moon? Reminds me of the Crescent Moon. Anyway, this cat's like, why am I in his hood house for? Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, a dark Chibiusa. That's the one. Yep, that's the one. Reminds me of that. I'm sure it exists somewhere. I know that I should not be spending any more money on D20s. Yeah. But it reminds me of that. That's why I did it. The D20. Look, gives it that look. This is a new Netflix series. It's called Cat Onion in Haunted House. The name's not that great. I have to work on that name. It's like Scooby-Doo, but instead of oh, never mind. We've gone to Zamboni apparently. I don't know why we did that, but all right. Oh, we're about to work again. All right, cool. If you find someone Etsy, can we get them on your throne? I mean, we can do. I'll have a look. I haven't had a look yet because I don't really like the money. I don't like. I'm trying to not spend money on stuff that I don't need. I want a lot of stuff, but I don't really need it. Because also I'm almost certainly going to be kicked out of my flat soon, so and I got Harris in a few days as well. C was that winner. Well done, C. Midori was second. Rainey was third. Pimon was fourth. Martin, oh god, Martin was fifth. Martin was sixth. Paddy was sixth. Oh, sixth. Sorry. Gary was seventh. Somebody was eighth. Chan was ninth. Meatley was 10th. And Unlucky was 1. Ham Biscuit and Audrey unlucky. Or maybe they were lucky. Maybe we were the losers. Anyway. Let's get away from those the horrible noises. Music, can we play? No, we can't play. I never saw Sailor Moon as a kid and I feel like I missed out on the fundamental part of childhood. I mean, you didn't miss out. You know you did miss out. You 100%. Anyway, get your balls in! I mean, everyone has their series that they grow up with, you know. Ugh. Let us spoil our little favourite stream if we feel like, especially since the whole people. I mean, that's fair, Bingo. I do appreciate it. I do appreciate that. I mean, I can make you all kind of D20 pillows. I don't need more pillows. I don't need more pillows. Like, that's the thing. If I move out, which I will confirm, be able to confirm after TwitchCon, But if I have to move out, I don't need more stuff to carry. I'm like, oh, great, this is all this really cool stuff, but shit, I've got to carry it all. Yeah, I won't kid myself. That show looks cute as heck, and growing up with that sound next level. It was I will always say yes to pillows. You know, I love pillows. Anyway, get your balls in. We've got 2 tracks left. This could make or break what happens. Yeah, that's it really. Anyway, we lost some people. Unless you aren't in, try again if you haven't gotten yourself in already. There we go. We get people in. There we go. So you could win this track, win the last track, and win the whole thing, or not. Or not. You could not do any of those things, and then, you know, you could be forever annoyed with yourself. I've grown up watching Sailor Moon with my dad. My parents are big weaves, so Sailor Moon is very much emotional to me. Oh, I love that, Pingu. Love that. I will always remember watching Dragon Ball Z as a kid, and my dad was one of my 2 brothers as well. And my dad just watched it coming in one time, and I'm pretty sure he's watched enough to know of it. And I think it was against Frieza battle. And the fact is that battle goes on for like 10 episodes, and it's like a 5-minute battle. And they're like, oh, are they stopped groaning yet? I'm like, no, Dad, shut up, stop ruining it for us. That's all it was on TV. Like, it's not as bad nowadays when it's when they've got the Kai editions. But like, it was just like screaming, just like for like 3 episodes. You're like, oh, okay, this is actually a lot of filler. So I got an email. Just check it on there. Anyway, less than 10 seconds to get your balls in. Less than 10 seconds to get your balls in. If you don't, then I'll be very disappointed. Also, see anything on my Twitter, please like stuff, because I can't see shit, so... Being tagged in something. What have I been tagged in something? Sorry. Oh, it's breaking my phone. Oh, that's great. Excellent. Okay. Sorry. Map number 1. Faithful! Faithful, that's adorable. That's an adorable picture. That's very funny. Fucking spam, I hate it. Oh, you've been pinked or something. Oh, that's nice. What is that? Oh, no, it's spam. Okay, cool. Fuck off. Fucking... Fuck. I hate Instagram. I hate it. Oh, by the way, I'm trying to change my name on Instagram. It's taken a long time. I had to sign up to Instagram, whatever it's called, Meta. What's it called? Meta Verified. That's the only way you can speak to someone on Instagram to get help. So apparently, I had to sign up to Meta Verified to speak to someone about name. Because the thing is, right, if you look up Instagram.com/Warwick, just the word Warwick, it will come up saying the account does not exist. It's either been deleted or just doesn't exist. No one's got it. Just doesn't exist. And I'm like, great. That means it's potentially available then. If it doesn't exist. Because if you put in like a random name, it will say it doesn't exist, which means that makes... Oh, God, where's Faithful going? Faithful? Oh, my God. Oh, my God, that would have been... If you made that... Oh, my God. If you made that, that would have been... That could have been world record. That would have been world record right there. Damn. Anyway. What I'm talking about? Yeah, so I'm signed up to Meta fucking Verified, which is annoying. So I've got a fucking tick next to my Instagram. But it's basically, the only way to speak to anyone on Instagram is you have to pay, basically. So I'm like, okay, I emailed them or messaged them because they give you a message. And they're like, hey, you have to verify that you're with Meta. Oh, well, you can't talk to them. And I was like, can I change my name to Warwick? They're like, oh, is it available? I was like, well, I think it is. It's like, well, we can look, and it's like, it says it's not available. I was like, yeah, but is it available? They're like, oh, we have to wait a month for a check. I was like, okay. So hopefully in the next 2 or 3 weeks, I might be able to get Warwick, because at the moment it's not available. It says it's not being taken. So I'm hoping no one's taken it. Yeah, that's why I've got a badge next to my name, in case everyone was wondering. Yeah, so yeah, so I don't know if you can quite see it, or you can't fucking see that. Oh, but yeah, it says basically it says sorry, this page is unavailable. So if you go to like a random, this link is for you file, it may be broken or page may have been removed. So I'm like, cool, that might mean it's available. I gotta wait for a fucking month. The thing is, right, if you put in, it wouldn't Instagram, if you put in like a like I've just typed in Warwick HSHCHVNC, I know that account won't exist or it's never existed. And it says the same thing. It says this page isn't available, which means Warwick hasn't been claimed or it's been taken away from someone and now it's there in its limbo. So hopefully in the next couple of weeks, so I don't know why I just zoomed in there for, in the next couple of weeks, I should be able to get Warwick. That might have been a record, let's find out. Anyways, somebody was our winner. It was not a record, 312. The record for Bad Boys is 301. But not bad, not bad. But Reddy was second, Studio was third, Audrey was fourth, P-Mon was fifth, Chicken was sixth, Meatley was seventh, Chan was eighth, Joe was ninth, and top 10 was Hun. Now, this is it. Well, it's not it. We've got some murder afterwards, but this is it of the Grand Prix. This is it of this race, which you know what this means. Do you know what this means? It's time to get your balls in like you've never got your balls in before. This is where we bring the hype, the spam, and and you still need to emote, don't worry. I'll do it after stream, after Discord, after Twitch. But yeah, so how it works is this is the last track of this Grand Prix. You have a minute and a half to get your balls in. Once you got your balls in, we will then beat up Warwick's ghost. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why? Don't beat up my ghost. Am I dead? But get your balls in, and what you have, and welcome in. Get your balls in, what you have. You can spam any emote you have. Because the more you spam, the more likely it is your ball to win. I have to say, disclaimer, that isn't technically true. I don't have control. By spamming doesn't make your ball go any quicker. However, I know what I said. But yeah, so for this track, we just bring the hype, we bring the energy, we bring all of it, and yeah, that's it. So you have a conversation, tough shit. Anyway, you got 30 seconds to get your balls in. If you win this track, I am not kidding, you can win the whole thing. This track can make or break your run in this Grand Prix. And if you win this Grand Prix, you will win a gift card of your choice within reason, of course, which I do have to sort out for people because I've been a bit lax with that, but I will get it sorted out, I promise. But while we wait, once you got your ball in, you just need to spam those emotes. It could be unicorns twerking. It could be salty alien hyping. It could be Warwick dancing. It could be Warwick pride. It could be anything you would like. But you have to spam these emotes. You have to cover the game. You have to cover the game with emotes. Poverty Decay's emotes. You can do it all. We're going to follow Warwick's ghost. We're going to get the music hype up. We're going to bring it. We're going to bring the colours in as well. My green skin, my head's going to disappear. We're going to follow my ghost ball. This is a ghost on two fronts. But you got Warwick. Now it's Warwick 0. So there's a ghost of my past, in a sense. Anyway. Is that a knife? Is that a cat with a knife? Panda, what is that last word? Nordilali? Nordilali? What? I don't know what that means. Anyway, how are we doing? No one's even close to my ghost. I'm very disappointed, everyone. I'm very disappointed. Oh! Sorry, I didn't know who you're talking about. I don't care about that person. The one that matters in the top right there. No one doesn't care about Nordali. It's about Warwick Zero. That's what everyone cares about, right? Or Warwick, I should say. What is Zamboni? These emotes you have, I swear. Right. No one's going to beat Warwick's record, are they? But who is going to win this race? Who's going to win this race and potentially win the whole thing? I can't zoom down. There we go. Who's going to win it? 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 Oh, it's very close. It's very close. Who's going to do it? Oh, oh, oh. Grumpy's our winner of this track! One missed out fortune, my friend. Grumpy's our winner of this race. Maybe the whole thing. But Pinker is second. P-Mom is third. Spectral is fourth. Where's Warwick? Oh, bye everyone. Bye White. Bye Linda. Bye Chicken. What back? It's fifth. Bye Warwick. Going well so far. Going well so far. Nope, still gone. Zambi's gone. Orchard's gone. Oh my god. Faithful! It's all on you, Faithful. Faithful, it's all on you. I have to go now. My gravity needs me. Faithful is all on you. It's all on you, my friend. Right? This is on you, right? Is that your cat or is that just a picture that you got from the internet? Either way, that cat is having a great time. Right. So, you are a duck with a diamond. We believe in you. We believe in you, Faithful Newland. We believe, right? We believe. We believe. When I said bad choice. Anyway, Grand Prix was our winner of this Grand Prix. We'll finish who won the race. Right. We have a drum roll command, so everyone put drum roll in chat. Exclamation drum roll, I should say. So, third place is Sounder. Linda is in third place. Second is Rainy, which means in first place is Hun is our winner! Hun is our winner! Let's go, Hun! There we go. Wow, Hun. Oh, Rainy and Linda. Rainy and Linda. Okay, couple things here. Hun, well done. Hun, I'll message you later on. Hun with 234 points with 2 wins. Now. Some of you may notice. Some of you may notice, may not notice. I will tell you. So, first of all, Just a Guy got a 15th and only did 4 races. If Just a Guy didn't go to bed, they may have got a lot closer. Rainy and Linda. Linda, I would say you probably wouldn't be able to get any more points, enough points to get first, because you are outside. You're like, what, 60 points, 59 points difference. Rainy, if you did one more race, that might have been the difference. It might not have been. It might not have been. But yeah, that one more race, that one race you missed, that might have been the difference. It might have been. It might have been, or you might have completely lost. Who knows? But we don't care about winners, do we? We care about the losers. So our losers of today is everyone who did all 10 races and got 0 points, which is Chan, Gallon, Panda. No, I'm sorry, Panda. I saw the 0. You got 10 points. There was 2, Gallon and Chan. Oi! Panda, saw the 0, sorry. I mean, also no, but because Han deserves it. But Han, well done. I will also message everyone else who won the last couple of weeks. I will make sure I get them sorted out after stream. I promise. I'll make that a priority. Anyway, good work, everyone. Well done. I'm very proud of you all. Oh, I forgot the fucking sound music plays. Can you fuck off? How do you get to settings? Oh, settings! There you go, thank you. Right. Battle Royale! And I hurt my shoulder lifting that shopping bag.
I'm ignorant.
Who? See, that's it. You shouldn't be doing shopping. That's what it was. You could have won a gift card. Right, get your balls in. We got time for a couple murder balls in. Get your balls in. If you don't know how this works, basically how this works is you get your ball in. And that's it. And you get to tuck at me. And if basically it's the last ball rolling, you are trying your best to not be the ball that gets hit. Z! Don't worry, Z, get your ball in now. Get your ball in now, Z, and just wait, just let your ball just do its business. That's a weird sentence. But anyway. But yeah, anyway, so this is how it works. Where the fuck is Warwick? There's Warwick. There's Warwick. I work. So, see, I'm already crying. Do you want to know why I'm already crying? Because I'm an onion. I'm very cute, but that's not why I'm crying. Why I'm crying is because I'm scared. Because all of this... Well, I don't want to sound big-headed, but I know this for a fact. Is all of you will target me. Grumpy? I mean, yes. It basically works like this. Fang kills Warwick and the rest tries not to get killed. Basically, yeah. Us? No. But yeah, so you get to target other players in chat. Once the game starts, it's exclamation mark target and then someone's name. And it happens to be mine most of the time. However, there is an incentive if you do get me. Not only do you enter our leaderboard. Oh, of course I love the attention. What the fuck is that? I'm sorry, what? The fuck is that, Fang, you just did? Huh? The fuck is that? What did you do? Thank you, Fang.
Everyone do.
Wait, is that the super chat? Is that the super chat? Is that the super chat? That's a hype chat. Never seen that before. Oh, okay. Paddy, you could do that. Paddy, you could do that. How? I don't see it. Is there like a lightning bolt or something? So there's a lightning bolt next to the mount. Oh yeah, Paddy, you can now do super chat. Interested. Up to 50. Please don't pay 50. It is new. I don't think I've ever seen it though. That's cool. Oh, and the more you pay, the longer it stays there. Interesting. Yeah, it's like super chat. Yeah, okay, interesting. Oh, 500. Don't spend 500 quid on there. If you got 500 quid to spare, just give it to me. You know what? If someone wants to spend 500 quid, but it looks like it's in pounds because obviously I'm being British. If you want to spend 500 pounds, just give it to me and I will literally pin whatever message you want on my stream. Like I would literally have it covering half the stream. Just saying. If you want to spend 500 quid on the super chat, just tell me, give me the money, and I'll just put your message like covering half the fucking stream for a whole stream. Rather than doing that. Wonder how much of that goes to Warwick. It's probably no. I don't think it'd be 50-50. It'd probably be like 70-30. I would think. It'd probably be similar to YouTube because I know YouTube takes a cut from what they do as well. This space for rent, basically, yeah. Anyway, Fanged, don't. If you did that, I would have refunded it, so don't worry. Anyway, like I said, Fang, thank you. That's actually pretty cool. I quite like that, actually. That's not bad. I quite like that. That's fun. Cool. All right, interesting. Anyway, yeah, balls. Let's go. Good luck, Warwick. It's 70-30. Oh, okay, that's not too bad. I think that's similar to YouTube, isn't it? That was a weird noise. I'm pretty sure. Is that similar to YouTube? I think YouTube takes like a cut from their super chats and stuff. Anyway, there we go. Everyone's targeting Warwick. Tornado. Oh, where am I flying? Waffle, we got fanged. Fanged is out. Why got Zamboni? Doodle got raided. Oh, there's a lot of death. How much are alive? How? This tornado may have saved me. This tornado may have saved me. I got Chan! What?
We got a top 10 situation.
I am not top 10. I am not top 10. I am top 10. I'm top 10. I'm actually top 10. What is going on? What the fuck is going on? I'm enjoying. I'm gonna. Oh, I got Midoriya. What? What is going on? Fanged, I think that super chat gave me superpowers. Warwick, one and Panda are left. Oh no! I thought I had it. I thought I had it. Panda, well done. God damn.
Complete winner.
Wow. I made top 3. Fuck, I thought I had it then. Damn. Wow. I mean, what? What? I guess what and what? Oh, I like your marble. It's like an actual marble. Oh, I like that. That's fun. I like that. Well, anyway, Wild was our winner with 3 eliminations. Pink got 3 as well. I got 2. Most damage was by Kim. Most damage, 69 damage was no one. Most damage, 69 damage, no one. Yeah, I was third. That was fun. That was fun. You know what? Actually, you know what? I know it's only the 1. I'm tired. I'm tired, and I don't think we can top that. So I'm gonna leave on a high. Fuck. Never mind. We're playing another track. This is not murder. I don't think. I think this is normal race. Is this normal race or is this murder? Normal. I'm not doing normal race. There we go. Pink is happy. It's a high for me too. Yeah, you know what? We'll leave it as a high, but that's fine. I don't think we can beat that. I don't think we can beat that. And, oh, I claim a reward. Oh, I got some coins. What should... You know what? You know what? What should I buy for 125 coins? What should I buy? Oh, which one? Okay, which one should I have? Which one should I have? I like the comfy poker. That's quite cute. That's cute. That's cute. These are ones when I enter the game. Oh, that's nice. Oh, is that it? Oh, actually, that's not that nice. Oh, that's Goblin. Go. Oh, yeah, shit, the ghost. Where's the ghost? Hello, yeah, ghost. Ghost. Yes, ghost. Yep, no, ghost. Wait, ghost or Coco? Ghost or Coco? I forgot about the ghost. I like the ghost. I like the ghost. But I think I don't have the hat if I have the ghost. That's the only thing. I think the trail. Oh, no, trail. Trail. Wait, hang on. No, fuck it, let's buy it. Fuck it, we're buying it. Buying ghost. Ghost is cute. Right. Ghost. My marble. All right. There's no hat, unfortunately, with the ghost. But that's very cute. That's very cute. Okay. What a weird look. What a weird look. Floatercon sounds hilarious. Is that what the name was? No, I don't need to test it out. No, I'm good. You know what? A pumpkin onion? You think a pumpkin onion, you think? I mean, that works. And let's put a little sleeping kitty cat. Little sleeping kitty cat with my name. There we go. It's Halloween all the time. There we go. There's me. Bye, everyone. All right, bye. That was fun. I enjoyed that. This screen, please. Thank you. Hi, we're back. There we go. Yeah, that was fun. I'm a bit tired. So would have gone a bit earlier, but it's close enough. It was fun. Thank you today, everyone. I really appreciate it. A bit of a funky start when everyone's like, "Where's the giveaway? That's not good enough." Oh, I'm horny again. Yes. But now I'm horny again, so I see that as an absolute fucking win. But no, today was fun. I appreciate it. Squishy duck. Squishy duck. Don't clip me. And also my favourite song ever is playing at the moment, so, you know. Oh, one more time. Oh, there we go. Not one more time, by the way. That's not my favourite song. I will sort out gift cards for everyone. There we go. I'll sort out gift cards for everyone after stream who have won the last few weeks. We'll sort that out. Patreon, I will put on the Minecraft video on Patreon. So if you are double or triple stack waffle on my Patreon, you can check out my video. I'll put it on there shortly if you want to check it out before it comes out next week. Last stream was on Wednesday. Last stream was on Wednesday before I go to TwitchCon. So if you want to see me before I go for a few days off, you can do. I will be still active on Discord over TwitchCon, and I will try to find out where the panel is being recorded on Twitch. It won't be on the main channel because unfortunately it's the same time as everything else. What's annoying is our panel's at 5:30, and at 5 there's the drag show in the main center, which is annoying because I'm like, why is that at the same time as the drag show? I want to go see the drag show. I'm going to have to miss that. And also, I think there's another panel happening with the CEO of Twitch. So it's like, thank White, right? So I'll try to find out when, if or what channel has been shown on. But anyway, but yeah, we are back on Wednesday for streams. So you want to hang out Wednesday, please do. We are going to be playing Only Up, that Rage game that everyone's been playing. We're going to jump on the bandwagon and try it out. I've never played a game like this before. I'm sure it'll be fine. If you want to be on my Patreon and support me making videos, check out my Patreon. Simple as. I've got socials, which you know me on. I'm still on Twitter. By the way, this is actual general request. If anyone is on Blue Sky, which is the new old Twitter, don't ask. If anyone's on Blue Sky, if you don't know what it is, then you're on it. Don't worry about it. But if you are on it and you have a spare invite, please, I need it. I need to get away from Twitter. I hate it. I still can't fucking use it. But I'm still, like, I literally scroll in the morning, and before I know it, my daily rate is done. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? But anyway, favors, gift suggestions, or look at them off the stream. Yeah, I'm gonna play a Rage game on Wednesday, and if it goes well, I might play more. Because I'm enjoying the Chaos games that I've been playing lately. But I think that's it. So yeah, back Wednesday streams-wise. Video hitting YouTube tomorrow. There are more YouTube videos out now. Please go check them out. They're really fun. The Simulacra, as I say, I keep calling it Simulacra. I know it's wrong, but Simulacra, part 1, it's like 55 minutes. It's really fun. I actually really enjoyed that game. And it's a good old time. And yeah. Yeah. Like I said, winners of the gift cards, Hun and Z and everyone else who has won the last few weeks, I will get in contact with you now. I just keep forgetting, but I will sort it out for you. So check out your Discord DMs if you haven't already. But yeah. I don't know what else to say, really. I've had a good day today. I'm tired. I think I'm tired. I think it's just the stress of getting ready for Florida. Florida? I'm not going there. I'm going to France. Yeah. That's it, really. I don't know what else to say, really, apart from that. Anyway, who's not doing stuff? Who's doing stuff, I should say. People are doing stuff. Let's see who's doing stuff. People are definitely doing stuff. Easy. Easy. We know who to say hi to. You probably guess who we say hi to, but if you don't, then how dare you? And also they're doing Among Us. So if you don't say hi to them, how dare you? Anyway, let's go raid them. I won't hang along because I'm actually tired. So we're going to go say hi to Salty. Because Salty's cool. Salty's great. So please go raid them. Did it work? Did my command work? No, it didn't work because I put it in wrong. Try that again, Sharon. Try that again. There we go. Anyway, everyone go say hi to Salty if you can. If you find you're not with a raid message, I believe most if not all of you follow Salty already. You may even be there. So if you are, then just copy the raid message and just put it there somewhere else. It's showing for you good. It's not showing for everyone, but you know what? We'll get there eventually one day. If not, then it's just one of those things with Twitch. It's one of those things that may never be fixed. But you see it, I think it's the lurkers. We have a lot of lurkers in chat, and I think I've had it where I've looked in channels and not gone with the raid. And it's very frustrating. But again, I don't want to think about it too much because it annoys me, and there's not a lot I can do about it. Twitch will do Twitch, and it's just frustrating that lurkers get penalised. You know, but hey, if you see it, great. If not, then we say hi to Salty. Again, they shouldn't have broken fucking hosts. You know, they shouldn't have broken. It started when host started. Got taken. You know, so it's not a lot we can do. I know people can see it. People go, oh, well, not all people are going through the Twitch, and it doesn't make any sense. But anyway, one of those things. Thank you, P-Mum. Appreciate that. I'm sure most of you follow Salty. Anyway. Say hi to Salty for me. All the love. Thank you for today. Sorry, my energy's gone very downhill all of a sudden. I'm very tired, so I'm going to do a few things before work tomorrow. I haven't got work till 3 p.m. tomorrow, so I've got some time to rest. But I appreciate you all very much. Please take care. Support me in the places that I need support. And yeah, see you soon. And if not, have a good rest of your week. Bye-bye.